Let's see, that I am saying. The grounds I have stated.
So what is the ground for discharge? I'm saying.
Let's see. Let's see, the present petitioners, they are actually worker of the one chit fund company that was charge sheeted.
So you are the worker of the chit fund company.
Lordship.
Okay.
Those two persons are
Worker mean what? What kind of position we are holding? That is important. Not worker simply koi dele habani. Worker mane je jhadudar bhi gote worker. Peon bhi gote worker. Clerical bhi worker. Apan kon feel kondu.
They usually office assistant.
Question is if you are a key man of the organization, you are held to be liable.
No,
if you are
no.
not a key man, small person who is not related to the transaction, then you may not. So now you have to explain key man, whether you are a key man or not.
Let's see, no.
What are you doing? Tell me first. First, what are you doing? What is your profession?
Now they are doing.
No, at that time when the crime was committed.
Two was agent of the company and one was working as office assistant of the company.
Office assistant.
Let's see.
So you didn't have the scope to interact with public and seek any kind of you're not tendering any kind of advertisement or anything like that.
No,
please
no,
come to here and deposit money.
Just to maintain my livelihood, I have.
अरे भाई सब तो मेंटल वो जो ठग है वो भी तो मेंटल लाइवलीहुड के लिए कर रहा है.
Let's see.
Are you saying livelihood? Livelihood is a very vague concept.
We have
even a person who is killing also he is also doing something for livelihood.
Let's see.
Only the manner and mode of the operation is that is its
petitioner earlier this honorable court asthile ebong honorable court
direct. Yeah, earlier kono kothile chadantu ei bartaman kotha kondu. Earlier I am list
all the company directors they have been booked and behind the bar now. Let's see.
Company director.
Lordship, all the three directors.
So ଆପଣ
Lakshmi kindly see page 15. You was the petition number 1. Is the executive director.
Executive director like key man asigala.
Again.
No. Executive director.
Lakshmi kindly see the impound order page 15, paragraph 2.
Page 15.
Peruse the case.
Just paragraph.
That is
not numbered, I think.
Peruse the case.
Page kete koile
Page 15.
15.
Running page 15 of.
Yeah, peruse the case record.
Miller, along with the petitioner and its objection. On such perusal and hearing, it is seen that the informant has categorically mentioned the name of the present two accused person. Kamalakanta Behera, your Lordship, as executive director, your Lordship kindly see Kamalakanta Behera is the petition number 1.
And Devanand Das is vice president.
Again.
So that means they are the key personnel.
Yes.
Executive director and vice president are not employees, sir. They are key personnel of the organization.
Lordship, my learned senior friend, they will show this.
Sir, one thing, please tell me.
Lordship.
If you are a key personnel of an organization, you are likely to be held responsible for any deed of omission or commission, right?
Lordship is well aware of the company's law and act. Lordship, when
sir, first clarify. If you are a key personnel, you cannot escape from your liability.
Lordship, one executive director and vice president.
Executive director is a key personnel, sir, in a company.
Then Lordship, in ROC, their name must be registered.
Then ROC dekhantu, kodi nahi tara dekhantu ROC.
That time
ROC dekhantu.
That I am requesting my learned senior friend just to show this honorable.
Executive director
in ROC their name is
executive director na roiban to.
Lordship,
executive director na roibar zaruri nahi ROC re.
Lordship, all the key person name will be there in the ROC.
Executive director.
Lordship may direct to call for this ROC registration of the company.
Vice president. Vice president executive officer tana kaya roibo.
These two persons and
I am very clear.
Lordship may direct.
If they are key personnel, they cannot be.
No, they are not key personnel. Only
no, they are key personnel. Vice president and executive are key personnel in the organization.
Only
you did not explain me anything.
Only designation to catch the people.
No, the designation is sufficient to brand you as a key personnel.
Lordship ROC ରେ registered ହେଇଥିବ ତାଙ୍କର।
Sir, ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ କିଛି ଆପଣ କି personally sufficient need not be your name need not be reflected in the ROC book register.
Lordship, my humble prayer is Lordship may direct.
No. Sorry.
record so
It
that
can't be. No.
It will be clear, Lordship.
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Lordship.
They are key personnel. Once you are saying they are the vice president, executive director, they are key personnel.
No, Lordship.
No, you are held with
They are
the
designated
corporate
only-
criminal liability will be on you. Corporate criminal liability will be on you. So you cannot escape from the liability.
Lordship, my humble request is, Lordship may call for this ROC record.
The ROC is not required even. ROC is not required.
Then I'll show this, Lordship.
Because the vice president post that is not to be reflected there, not necessarily that it reflects there in the ROC thing. Because there is a personnel, he is engaged by the company. Why should that be reflected in the ROC? That's not necessary. Only the director, promoter, all these names will be there. Why should vice president name will be there?
Lordship,
Even executive director is also not the easy.
Lordship, I humbly pray, Lordship may keep this matter to next week so that I'll
Hey, sir, next week we come by next week. ଆପଣ ଏଟା ପ୍ରିପେୟାର ହେଇକି ରହିଲେ ନି
No,
ଆପଣ
Lordship,
ଦେଖେ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଏଥିରେ କିଛି ହେବାର ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ once you are there you are there
I'll come with some documents, Lordship, and
କିଛି ନାହିଁ କିଛି ହେବନି
I'll
ଆପଣ
show-
ଯୋଉ ଆରଓସି କଥା କହୁଛନ୍ତି you are mistaken ଆପଣ ଆରଓସି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କିଏ ବୁଦ୍ଧି ଦେଇଛି କି ଆରଓସି ରେ ରହିବ ବୋଲି କି ରଙ୍ଗ ଟୋଟାଲି ରଙ୍ଗ ଆରଓସି ରେ ସବୁ ନାଁ ରହେ ନାହିଁ ସାର୍ ଭାଇସ୍ ପ୍ରେସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ନା ଆରଓସି ରେ କାହିଁକି ରହିବ ଆରଓସି ରେ ଭାଇସ୍ ପ୍ରେସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ନାଁ କାହିଁକି ରହିବ
Vice President ହେଇପାରିବନି।
ବିଲକୁଲ ରହିବନି ଆପଣ
Director
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱିକ ରେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱିକ ଟାଇମ ଦଉଛି କମ୍ପାନୀର ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟର ଚ୍ୟାପ୍ଟର ଟା ପୁରା ପଢିକି ଆସିଥିବେ through the chapter of director in the company law ହେଲା and related case law list the matter on 20 ହେଲା ଆପଣ କେସ୍ ଲା ବି ନେଇକି ଆସିବେ ପଢିକି ଆସିବେ ହେଲା ଆପଣ ବି ପଢିବେ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟର ଆପଣ ବି ପଢିକି ଆସିବେ
Director liability
that is the crux of the company law company law director ଛାଡି ଦେଲେ company law ଛୋଟ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟର ଗୋଟେ position ରେ ଯୋଉଠି
liability ହେଲା
ବାସ୍ ସବୁଠୁ important
Personal
ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟର
liability.
ଯୋଉଠି ପଢିକି ଆସିବେ
Next 24th
24th yes
of life.
Item number 4.
yes next
The revision is directed against the order of the Lord and additional session Salipur.
sorry ଆପଣ ମାଇକ୍ ଟା ଟିକେ କରନ୍ତୁ ନା ଆପଣ କୁଆଡେ ମାଇକ୍ ଅଛି ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି କୁଆଡେ
I am challenging the order of the Lord and additional session Judge Salipur, who has rejected my petition under section 391 for taking additional evidence.
taking
Additional evidence. For taking additional evidence because after trial, the
what is
petitioners,
the additional evidence
the petitioners have found guilty and they have been convicted under section 326 and other sections and sentenced to undergo arrest for 3 years. Their appeal is pending. During the pendency of appeal, the petitioners filed a petition under section 391 with a prayer to take additional evidence in the matter for just a decision of the case. And without
you
application
are
of
not telling that what is the additional evidence
yes, my lord. Here your lordship will find
what kind of additional evidence
yes, my lord. The it is alleged that in the alleged incident, the
you are challenging what are you challenging here
order of the Lord and additional session judge who
rejected it.
refused to
He
refused to
rejected.
take additional.
Okay. so what kind of what is the nature of evidence
My lord, nature of evidence is that the evidence of doctor is vital on this score.
evidence of doctor
So far the
you didn't
injury,
get the chance to take evidence
yes, madam.
in the matter of
The-
2020
Their consistent
କେବେ
evidence
କର incident କେବେ କର
incident relates to April 2016.
2016 matter ଆପଣ ବାର ବାର ଟାଇମ ନେଇ ଚାଲିଥିବେ କେବେ ଆପଣ
Appeal pending.
In fact,
Trial
page
delay.
10, my lords, may kindly have a look at. I'll just read out the relevant portion.
Hmm.
Page 10, last paragraph. Before dwelling upon the merit of the case, it is apposite to mention here that the contention made by the learned additional public prosecutor in his objection to the effect that the appellants did not file relevant petition before the learned trial court to call for the concerned documents is factually erroneous. As similar applications were indeed filed before the learned lower court on dated 25/10/21 and 2020 12/21. He should have come against those rejection order.
Okay, what is this? These kind of things are only to delay the things, nothing.
My lord, just,
Sir, nothing is.
just, my lord, I may be given some
No,
time
no.
to
There is
satisfy your
nothing
lordship.
there. Nothing there.
My lord, here the
So this
evidence
is
of
this
doctor is
delaying tactics,
important.
sir. This is
My-
delaying tactics.
My lord,
This is delaying tactics. That's 2016 matter. This
No, my
judge
lord,
will
maybe.
not allow the judge to deliver the judgment.
no, judgment delivered, they have been convicted, appeal is pending.
And then what?
In appeal, he wants to adduce fresh evidence.
Yes,
No. That's
yes,
not-
my lord, why
Give me case law.
I want,
Give me some case law.
case law I have,
How
today
it
I have
will-
not brought,
No,
because
you
my
have
lord,
to, sir,
the
if
very
matter
sec-
ଅଛି case law ଅଛି ତ ଆଣିବେ କାଇଁ
The
ଭାଇ?
more
Prepare
important
କରିକି ଆସିବେ ନା।
point, the more important point, my lord, that these applications were moved before the learned trial court.
ନାଇଁ, appeal
Let me- let
Trial court ରେ reject ହେଲା ପରେ ତାକୁ challenge
make
କରିବା
my
କଥା.
submission, your lordship.
Yes,
Let me make my submission. Here definitely doctor is an important witness.
that can be. I'm not saying that, but the order has been passed.
Just I'm-
it's appeal now at what?
Yes, my lord. That's why I am coming to that point. Now, the injured, they both were examined during the trial
Sir,
of the
don't
case.
go to the merit.
Yes,
I'm
yes,
saying on the procedure part.
yes, on the
Merit part
procedure.
का जहाँ था वो.
Why I have,
Sir,
why,
at this stage it can't be.
my lord, why I have approached, I have some reasons. And I will satisfy your
Tell me the
lordship.
reasons.
Now the doctor has examined
Huh.
and these two witnesses, the informant and his wife,
Hmm.
those who are injured persons, the doctor is the competent person to say about the injuries. Doctor was examined. While examined, the doctor has stated that while I got the police requisition, I collected the injury report from the OPD register, and from the OPD register, I noted down the injury and sent it to the court. But in fact, what happened, my lord, there was not any mention in the OPD register.
Sir, I
OPD
understand.
register was
I
not there.
understand these things. What prevented you to raise then and there?
Yes, madam.
Huh?
That is the point.
At this stage,
I
that's why I'm saying.
raised that point.
You might have a very good
I
point.
raised that point, my
Hmm.
lord. I raised that point before the London trial court. The London trial court rejected my petition.
Hmm.
The thing is that
So when you raise that point, that is rejected, and then you should have come here.
exactly that is the
Exactly.
mistake.
Ashish,
What I beg to say that.
I am. Please answer my question. When he rejected,
And
did
that
you
is the
come-
mistake committed. by
That
the
is mistake that you
That
suffered.
is the mistake.
That can't be.
Somebody,
That
my lord,
mistake can't be
in,
compensated.
in trial court, some other person.
Sir, ଏ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ଶୁଣିବା
That
ପାଇଁ
is
ନାହିଁ.
there.
ଆମେ technically ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ mistake committed ମାନେ to suffer.
Why he has, the
That can't be.
technically my petition has been rejected. What I beg
Again,
to
I'm
somebody, my
rejected.
lord,
I'm again rejected.
if it's a fact and your lordship is satisfied that
I will not be satisfied, sir. First, procedural
not only
wrong
that,
is there.
yes, my lord, not only that, they say the consistent evidence of injured persons that they were treated at
Why again you are going to the merit? Again you are going to the merit.
No,
Merit you might be a very good case,
Not
sir. I
merit,
am not
but
disputing.
the facts required for disposal of this case.
No, this is not required at all.
Just-
Simply once at that time,
Just
you
2
did
minutes,
raise that
sir.
issue, we have lost the
I
opportunity.
only think of what
You
I-
missed the bus
what I
there.
beg to say.
That can't be.
Now, my lord.
The bus stop
Ye-
can't wait for you for a long time. The bus, you have to catch the bus, sir.
2 minutes, 2 minutes. It is the consistent of the injured persons. There after they were
Sir,
being
let
treated.
me tell you one thing. I'm not on merit. I'm saying merit may be a very good case, but procedurally you have already availed that opportunity that is
Because, my
rejected.
lord,
Again you are coming here.
Only for delay or ignorance of law.
I
A man
know.
will go for suffering for period of 4 years.
Why then the procedure has been prescribed?
Because
Procedure has been prescribed for what? For misusing the procedure. You are misusing the procedure.
no, not misusing
Yes,
exactly.
misuse. ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ
It
ଥରେ
is-
ଦିଆଗଲା opportunity,
it
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ
is
reject କଲେ,
Not proper advice was given.
ସାର୍ କି କଣ
Because that
କରିବା
time-
କୁହନ୍ତୁ?
I bow down my.
ଆପଣ
before
ଆପଣ
my
ଗୋଟେ
lord.
case ଟେ ହାରିବେ, not proper advice ଦିଆଗଲା, ତାହେଲେ ଆମେ ଆଉ merit କୁ ଯିବୁନି।
But here is a peculiar case where they have been sentenced, their life has been curtailed,
Sorry.
and absolutely to that effect, no evidence, man. Absolutely
You
no
give me
evidence.
some case law.
They say, my
Give me some case law at this
Ah,
stage.
my,
It
my,
will be generous.
your lordship may give some
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, ଆଉ
time.
ଗୋଟେ case law ଦେଲେ
Because-
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ time ମାଗିବି। case law ପାଇଁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ନେବେ।
For the first time.
First time
One,
alert contact.
one time may begin.
ଆପଣ case law ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, ତାପରେ
Because-
no notice, null notice ହୋଇଯିବ।
Because just I have
You have to
your
stop.
lord's attention. They consistently say they were treated at.
Sir, you are again going to the merit, sir.
Many
I
periods.
am on the procedural part. First, satisfy the procedure, then go to merit.
Now, if necessary, court can take addition.
If necessary,
Court
ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ
can
case law
take.
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
Yes, my lord, I will
Sir, case
cite.
law ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, I am ready.
Yes, sir.
Convince
Yes,
କରନ୍ତୁ,
ma'am.
I am ready to.
Yes, ma'am.
ମୁଁ ସେଥିପାଇଁ କହୁଛି
Yes,
ଆପଣ
ma'am.
ଯଦି କନଭିନ୍ସ କରିଲେ ମତେ I'll pass out.
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem. Why
I
should I
may
say
be,
no?
I may be given some time, 1 week time.
Okay. Learn counsel with the petitioner to file some case laws on the current issue. Fancy 6 time. This is the matter on 25th. 25th.
25th.
Yes. Next.
Item number 5.
5.
My please, Lordship, my lord. The petitioner is a victim of rape, my lord, and is challenging the action of opposite parties.
Sorry. Victim of death.
Rape.
Rape.
And my lord, the petitioner challenging the action in not dispersing the compensation for victim compensation. My lord, kindly glance to annexure 1, page 8, my lord. FIR has been registered under section 363, 366, 376, 1, 294, 323, 506, and 34, read with section 4 of the POCSO Act, my lord. Thereafter, under annexure 2, the petitioner filed application for payment releasing of compensation from the victim compensation scheme. But my lord, till date, no action has been taken.
Okay, you take instruction. Learn counsel for the opposite party. State to take instruction.
OP number 4 is to disperse, my lord.
Hmm?
OP number 4 is to disperse, my lord. That is
Sorry?
secretary OP number 4 is to take action.
He'll take instruction.
Copy.
Issue notice to 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it.
Let him serve a copy. I don't. My lord.
You can give a copy on issue notice to 1, 2, 3, 4. List the matter on 25th.
Okay.
25th January. Next.
Item number 6.
Next.
May I please, your lords? Your Honor, this is a matter where the bank is refusing to return the original documents pertaining to the mortgaged land.
You paid the whole amount?
Yes, I have
You
already
paid it?
paid. Already paid
Which
since
bank?
Annexure 6, page 21, 2/4/2022.
No, this is Urban Cooperative Bank.
Yes.
Patak.
Yes.
Page
Since
कितने page?
page 21.
21.
Yes. The petitioner herself deposited the entire dues. And the certificate is also there. Certified that Srimati Swanshu.
Yes, you're right.
So after clearance,
Also the petitioner submitted that though he has cleared the entire dues on 2/6/2020,
2/4/2022.
2/4/6 like is 21/6.
সেটা হচ্ছে লেটারটা, that is the letter, but on the
2/4/2022.
yes,
The bank authority has not yet given the what document?
original documents
Original
of the
documents.
mortgaged property.
Original documents of the mortgage property. Issue notice to the OP number.
OP, sole OP, my lord.
Okay, so OP. By election post. First February.
Obliged.
Next,
Item 7.
7.
This is an application for a direction of my lord to the opposite part number 1 to disperse 7/8 interest in favor of the petitioner
Sorry, sir, sorry.
to disperse 7/8 interest out of
To defer
7/8 interest. 7/8.
7/8 man.
And the deceased died, leaving behind his 8 children. And he-
What do you say 7/8 interest?
out of total to be divided into 8 by 8.
ସେଇଟା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଭଲ କରି କହନ୍ତୁ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ କହୁଛନ୍ତି କଣ ସେଟା ବୁଝା ପଡୁନି 7/8 ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ମାନେ କିଏ ବୁଝିବ
7/8 interest.
ସେମିତି ଏମିତି କହନ୍ତିନି ଏତିକି କହିବେ ସେଟା କ୍ଲିୟର କଟ୍ କହିବେ ଲିଗାଲ କ୍ଲିୟର କହିବେ 7/8 ବୋଲେ ମୁଁ କିଏ
My
ବୁଝିବ
lord, the
ମୁଁ
deceased
ଏମିତି ଭାଷା ବୁଝେନି
Mahapatra, he died, leaving behind his 8 children.
ହଁ ସେଇଆ କହିବେ ନା
My lord, in the meanwhile, the eldest daughter died, leaving behind her 2 children, opposite part number 2 and 3. Now, where they are residing, we do not know. For which the petitioner filed this application with the consent letter of the
who are petitioner who is he
one of the sons.
one of the sons
My lord.
so what is the problem then
Now the problem is the bank says unless you give the consent of all, we cannot disburse the amount.
naturally
But the pro forma opposite party 4 to 9 and the petitioner, they are the 7 children. The pro forma opposite party 4 to 9, they have given the consent in favor and relinquishment in favor of the petitioner to disperse the said amount.
what about other
or all are given.
All have given.
Other two,
Ah.
who are the children of this is daughter,
Ah.
eldest daughter, they are
But this is
residing
daughter,
outside.
why should they be part of this?
Again,
This is daughter.
all are entitled to get the amount from the bank's account of the deceased. Father is the deceased. Father died having an account which.
Okay, issue notice to the bank. Issue notice to the.
Only this much can be given. He can be directed to release 7/8.
Let the bank council come, we'll see that. Issue notice to the council.
Bank has given the consent.
Sir, ticket the bank wala asantu kon paisa dounahante mu bujhe.
Okay.
Ticket paisa na
It has been given, my lord. They have said.
issue notice to open 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 सबको कर दे. hala? Returnable on 1st February. That's it. Next. First February. 1st February.
Item number 8.
Limited prayer of the petitioner, direction to consider annexure 1 pending before opposite party number 1. Stipulate
Before claim commission.
before the claim commission, the representation application is pending. Lordship, limited prayer of petitioner to direct to.
केबे टू पेंडिंग अछि पेंडिंग केबे टू अछि
24 24
24 वाला कौन बुझा पड़ी सर अपने डेट ता क्लियर कोन तू 24 माने कोन मु बुझी पाबी
2
पूरा डेट पूरा कोना दी 24 माने कोन
3/1/24
तीन ए एबे ए 5 दिन भीतर आपण प्रोसेस पळेले कोड को
expedience.
नो ठीक है तो पेशेंस रखंदु सर कोड आर नॉट सिटिंग आइडल टू एंटरटेन दिस काइंड ऑफ 3 तारीख रे आपण ये कले आज के तारीख हला आज के तारीख 8 तारीख रे आपण पळेले कोड को वाह ठीक है तो पेशेंस रखंदु से क्लेम कमिशन ताको भी टाइम देबेनी
Expedient.
सेफ्टी 2 दिन छुट्टी थिला
Not a praying for stipulated period. Lordship
बिल्कुल नहीं नथिंग आई एम नॉट
directed for
गोइंग
expedience.
5 दिन भीतर मोबाइल शुड पास एनी ऑर्डर
Expedience, yes, sir.
नथिंग विल बी डन आम तळ कोटर तांकर प्रेशर तांकर कोन हम जानिनु हम व्हाई शुड यू अननेसेसरी प्रेशराइज देम आपण केस कोन बहुत इंपोर्टेंट बाकी भी आउ लोकर केस थिबो एवरीबॉडी इज इन द क्यू यू हैव टू बी इन द क्यू इट्स नॉट यू आर नॉट स्पेशल पर्सन व्हाई शुड यू कंसीडर यू
Not praying for stipulated period.
nothing देखो since the claim has been this is not done sir एमती करंदु
Yeah. Sir.
गोटे केस टे आपण फाइल करले 3 तारीख 8 तारीख पळे आछन हाई कोर्ट के केस डिस्पोज ऑफ करे
How come out
not unfair
Arjan ki tharu
it is not unfair बिल्कुल ना अर्जेंट काहे बेटा एमते केस डिस्करेज मु करछि नॉट दैट दिस इज नॉट डन हां आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड 3 से 4 वर्ष पड़ी रहंता किछि हेना था ताले आई वुड हैव पास ऑर्डर विदाउट योर से the petitioner challenged the inaction of the opposite party number 1 considering and disposing the civil case filed by the petitioner bearing civil case number miss case number 9 of 2024 which is pending for adjudication within a stipulated period full stop next
one miss case 1.
miss case 1 था से miss case 1 of 2000 आपने एंती लेखुचंदी भल के लिखबे ना
Aja.
हाथ रे लिखि दोचंदी क्लियरली लिखो the land council petitioner further submit that he has filed the said case on केबे केबे गले मिस केस केबे गले
Do it.
2/1/2024 and he has approached this court केबे फाइल कले एटा फाइल केबे गले and he filed the case the present petition on 4th January 2024 also the petitioner is so impatient to approach this court and unnecessarily invokes the extraordinary jurisdiction of this court for seeking a direction to the opposite party to dispose of his case. So, since the petition, the present petition has been filed within such a short period, without even waiting for some time for the disposal, this court doesn't encourage such kind of petition filed by the present petition, accordingly disposal. ମୁଁ କଷ୍ଟ କରିଥାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ କଷ୍ଟ କଲିନି ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ଡୁ ଦିସ୍ ଆଜ୍ଞା
Item 9.
5 ଦିନ 4 ଦିନ ୱେଟ୍ କରିବେନି ଆପଣ କଣ କୋର୍ଟ କଣ ଆପଣ ପୁରା ଘର କଥା କହିଲା ପୁରା ଏକଦମ ଇଏ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଧାନ ପକେଇଲେ ଚାଉଳ ବାହାରିବ ଏମିତି ଧାନ ପକେଇଲେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଏଇଟା କଣ ଧାନ କଳ ଏଇଆ ସାର୍ ଏଇଆ ହବ ଏମିତି ହୁଏନି ଆପଣ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ
Sorry, sir.
ଆପଣ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟକୁ ଆସି ପାରିଲେ ବୋଲି ଆପଣ କଲେ ଯିଏ ଭିତରେ ଆସି ପାରୁନଥିବ ତାର କଣ ଅବସ୍ଥା ସେ ତ ତାର ରହିଲା ନା ମୁଁ ସେଠି ଅର୍ଡରଟେ ପାସ୍ କରିବି କାଲି କରିଦିଅ ଇଜ ଇଟ୍ ନଟ୍ ଅନଫେୟାର ଆପଣ ବୁଝିବା କଥା
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 9.
similar so
9 ବି ସେମ୍ ଅର୍ଡର କରିଦେ
Item
Next.
number 10.
10
May it please, my lord. My lord, I'm appearing on VC.
yes please
My lords, we are challenging the state consumer. My lords, we are challenging a state consumer order wherein, my lords, they have directed us to pay the settled decretal amount by 31st of December. My lords, if my lords may kindly see Annexure 4, our properties and our bank accounts have been attached by the ED. For that reason, we have not been able to comply with the order of the State Consumer Forum, my lords. Therefore, my lords, we were requesting time. Today, the matter is listed. They've asked us to appear personally, and my lords, they might issue NBW or attach our whatever remaining properties we might have. They'll attach it. Therefore, my lords, we have come to challenge before my lords. This is the reason why I have come, my lords.
Who is
At
the
least, my
opposite
lords
party?
may give us some time.
Who is the opposite
My lords,
party?
they are the flat owners. They are the flat owners, my lords.
You are the builder.
Developer, my lord. Yes, my lords.
What happened? You have not delivered the flat.
My lords, we were not able to deliver the flat, but after the order of the consumer forum, we offered them the flat. They said, we don't want the flat, we want the compensation amount. So therefore, we were ready to pay. We have made substantial amount payments. We have shown the charge. We have made payments to a lot of people, lot of the consumers. But here, the 20 consumers, we have not been able to pay because our properties and bank accounts have been attached by the ED. That's the reason why we have not been able to pay, my lords. So therefore, my lords, I'm
which
only
bank account
seeking
is
an
attached by ED?
extension.
Which bank
My lords,
account?
all my bank accounts, the bank account which has the amount for me to pay them, the bank account which has the substantial amount of 6 crore rupees that is to be paid to the consumers, that has been attached by the ED, my lords, which is an annexure 4, my lords, at page 120. The details of the bank accounts that has been attached by the ED. That's the reason why, my lords, I have to come before
This is an execution case.
before my lords.
Execution case.
Yes, my lords. It's an execution. Yes, my lords.
Why have you not paid then? Why are you waiting for such a long time till they file the execution?
My
case?
lords, no, my lords. What had happened was a first execution case was
Let's
filed.
keep it about 2 o'clock.
Thereafter
hala.
the bank-
2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. I'll hear in detail. It takes
Okay,
time.
my lords.
Hala.
Yes, my lords. My lords, may keep it at 2 o'clock.
Give a note. Give a note on everything. Next.
Much obliged.
Yes, my lords.
Item
Much
11.
Yes, sir.
May I please, Lords?
Yes.
Let the two issues, your Lordship have already carved out the exception relying upon Whirlpool and Madhya Pradesh case.
Yes.
Let I squarely fall within the parameters of these two cases. Let me satisfy your Lordship. But first of all, I have to satisfy that the tribunal has acted in excess of its jurisdiction, number one. Number two, it has not complied with the principles of natural justice. These are the two golden principles, my Lord, your Lordship is aware of.
Yeah.
That the High Court's 226 power is not ousted. That I fall. Maybe these points were not, because on factual metrics, my case stands on a different footing altogether. But here, if your Lordship would look at the scheme of the Act, NGT Act, that your Lordship may
They have not
kindly-
issued notice to you. Before
No,
passing the order.
notice, my lord, no, there has been a clear non-compliance with the principles of natural justice. My lord, the purported finding, my lord, 2 counts. First of all, the NGT doesn't have any power to deal with the criminal matters. He has directed for institution of criminal cases. Section 14, my lord, he can deal with the matters pertaining to civil cases. Section 14, your lordship may kindly see how, my lord, illegally it has acted. 14, my lord, tribunal to settle disputes. That it's a clear violation of the statute itself. It's a clear exceeding of the jurisdiction.
Regular use
But I have a copy, soft, this hard copy I have. NGT Act, my lord.
Yes.
Section 14, your lordship may kindly turn to.
Regular don't mix up with everything.
Lord, this whole chapter 3 deals with the jurisdiction.
Which one?
Lord, section 14, I am pleased.
14.
Yes. Jurisdiction, powers and proceedings of the tribunal. Tribunal to settle disputes. The tribunal shall have the jurisdiction over all civil cases, my lord, I lay emphasis, where a substantial question relating to environment, including enforcement of any legal right relating to environment is involved, and such question arises out of the implementation of the enactment specified in Schedule 1. The tribunal shall hear the disputes arising from the questions referred to it in subsection 1 and settle such disputes and pass orders therein, my lord. It doesn't have any power to direct that you institute a criminal case.
Okay.
Here, my lord, there is a clear excess of the authority, my lord, vested by the tribunal, vested upon the tribunal. Lord, your lordship may kindly look at what relief can be granted by under section 15 of the Act. The tribunal may, by an order, provide relief and compensation to the victims of the pollution and other environmental damage arising under
This
the
is
enactments.
polluters pay principle.
That's correct. So it's studious. You
Next.
can't say that, no, you file a criminal case. That is what, my lord, it is faulted with. Number 2, my lord, the whole conclusion is based upon a purported inspection report as per Annexure 5. That's the, my lord, all authorities have said there is no violation. The pollution board, the divisional forest officer says it is not a forest land, and the, my lord, all authorities, my lord.
Please, sir, excuse me. Hello, sir. Why are you talking here inside courtroom?
Didn't have the occasion to go through it. So,
Yes,
my lord,
please.
this, my lord, this particular inspection report made by a team where, my lord, there was no representation from my side. My lord, I am a contractor selected by the National Highway Authority to do the expansion of the highway from Khurda to Baluga. It's a excellent road. Your lordship might have traveled in that road. So I was granted with the permission to take the, my lord, extract the morum to be used for the purpose of the road.
Yeah.
In addition to that, I was purchasing from another lessee, my lord, who was granted with a valid lease by the competent authority.
Yes.
So there has been no infraction of any law, number 1. My lord, number 2, my lord, all authorities who were noticed by the tribunal, they have said the consistent approach in the objection filed by all those authorities is that it is neither forest land nor there is no violation. So here also, my lord, he exceeds the jurisdiction. If it is not, doesn't fall within the ambit of the forest land, the tribunal cannot have jurisdiction.
Can you see the order?
My lord, your lordship may kindly turn to the
Annexure
impugned
two.
order.
Annexure
Annexure, my lord, 2. My lord, your lordship may kindly, I am reading, my lord, some relevant paragraphs. My lord, your lordship may kindly.
Yes.
Lordship may report of the inspection is of the collective state pollution control para 7 million has filed its counter affidavit on 17/9/2022. Along with this affidavit, an inspection report of an inspection carried out on 13/9/22 has been filed, which reads as under. Messrs. Mayur Jhalia laterite query at Mayur Jhalia Tahsil Ranpur, District Noyagarh, has obtained environmental clearance from the State Environmental Impact Assessment Authority Bhubaneswar by letter number so and is valid for the lease period as granted by the lease granting authority. The mining plan of Mayur Jhalia laterite query for the period of 5 years has been duly approved by Deputy Director Geology, Director of Geology Bhubaneswar, on such and such date over plot number so and so of minor mineral mine lease area of 4 acres, so and so hectares. Lease agreement has also been executed between the government of Odisha, represented by the Tahsildar, and Sri Sushant Kumar Barat. I am not sure, I am Sasank Agrawal, let the company Agrawal Infra, which is valid for a term of 5 years from commencing from 21/22 to 25/26 over plot number so and so. Consent status of the query. The lessee had submitted complete consent to establish online application with adequate city fees of 6,000 and also submitted complete consent to operate online application, adequate CTO fees one so.
And I had come to that conclusion that we can.
Yes, no, your lordship may kindly again see how
When
my lord,
conclusion
disastrous,
is
how my lord-
conclusion is in your favor only.
that's correct. No, conclusion he says, my lord, your lordship may kindly see. Para page 6349, my lord. We accordingly dispose of this original.
Only thing is the solid waste management practice is not properly followed.
That's correct. It can
Rest
at
of
best
the thing-
visit a, yes, penalty. You can't say that proceed against them criminally. But para 49, we accordingly dispose of this original application with a direction to the state respondents to initiate criminal proceedings, Miller. I did a road for the benefaction of the people of the
Correct,
state.
correct.
He says that will be criminally prosecuted. Suppose, Miller,
Basically,
let us-
you have not been given notice.
I have not been given notice.
Let me
Miller,
do one thing.
That's
I'm
correct.
remitting it back. They will give you proper notice and you
No,
put
the
forth
whole-
your position.
Whole conclusion, my lord,
Hmm.
has been based on the so-called report of
No,
the
I'm-
collector.
What I'm
Yes.
saying, that's why I'm saying to cut the matter short.
Yes.
Let the matter be remanded back to the on that day also I had another matter also did the same
That's
thing.
correct. That's
So
correct.
let it go there. Then you be noticed, you'll put forth your position,
Let it
then you
be-
should pass a written
That's
order.
correct.
That
Let,
will
let
be
it be set
That's the-
aside.
yeah.
Let- Hmm? Notice the remit
better.
hele-
Notice how conta ଯିବ କାହାକୁ notice ସିଧା ଯିବ remit ତ କରିବି ଆଉ notice conta. Notice is not required. Remit
That's correct, right? It would be remitted, it would be.
The
hard-
allegation in this original application that you are the respondent number 17.
I am the respondent number 18, Mila.
18. The petitioner hearing who was respondent number 18 in the before the origin the learned Green Tribunal Western Zone Eastern Zone Bench, Kolkata, in original application number 83 of 2023 EJAD.
Milord, I'm sorry, 18 in the original application.
That's what I'm
Yes,
saying. 18 in the original application. So, hello. And bracket like IA number 189 of 2022 EJAD. The grievance of the petitioner is that the present petitioner is a lessee. Opposite party number 18 is respondent number 18 in the original application. The petitioner herein is a lessee for a lessee of the laterite stone quarry in question. And he is a road contractor engaged for laying 6-lane highway number 16 from Tangi to Bhubaneswar. Over a stretch of 60-kilometer road. It is alleged that the petitioner is mining the plot in question, mining a plot number, plot number 168, Khata number 495, plot number 1689 over an area of 144.49 acre, which is shown as Kisam Pattita, reserved for Gramya Jungle in Mayur Jhala, Mauja, Ranpur, Tehsil, District Nayagar, Odisha. So the allegation leveled by the petitioner in the said way is that the petitioner along with some other respondents in way are mining the plot in question by felling trees and clearing the forest area without obtaining any approval as required under section 2 of the Forest Conservation Act 1980. Learned counsel, learned senior counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that though the petitioner has obtained all necessary clearances before mining the said quarry, the what's up? Is it command? And accordingly extracted the material for construction of the road. He further submits that though the inspection report
inspection report
by
of the by the collector,
By the
by a team
collector
they say, annexure 5.
by the collector has
No, no, that is by a team, annexure 5, page 72. Mila.
has observed that during the Mayur Jhala laterite quarry was found non-operational from the surrounding appearance. He further found that as per the report of Revenue Circle Inspector Jhadapada, the mining activity is carried out within the leasehold area.
May I intervene for a minute? This report was also not prepared in my presence. I was never noticed when this report was.
So if then the cashew plants in questions as observed in the report is that it was about 500 meters from distance from the leasehold area of Messrs. Mayur Jhalia laterite quarry in north direction. He further submits that the topsoil generated from the mining activity has been found stocked outside the leasehold area. In the conclusion, he has recommended that the mining activity is carried out with valid consent to operate of the board. Ambient air quality monitoring could not be conducted during the inspection as the mine was not in operation. The lessee has obtained statutory clearance like environmental clearance approved mining plan from the competent authorities and accordingly executed the lease agreement with the Tahsildar Ranpur, which is valid up to 31st March 2026. He only observed that the topsoil management required to be in accordance with the approved mining plan. Despite all these positive observations by the collector and district magistrate Nayagarh, the tribunal, the learned tribunal has passed an order. Which is the paragraph that
Para 49, that page 63, you are saying.
49.
Instead of collector, you are saying as a committee.
Committee, Mila.
Collector is
Committee.
not the
As a
part of
committee.
the-
This is what is the committee name? Is there any name of the committee?
That they
Committee
say.
headed by the collector. No?
Yes,
No, no.
brief note, a brief note
Director
on,
of Deputy Director of Mines and Geology, Odisha.
Any committee लिख दिया.
is a committee. Mila.
Committee,
They
committee.
say it's a committee.
Committee appointed by the NGT, na?
Yes,
Yes.
Committee appointed by NGT.
but collector has written something else. Collector has filed his counter, reading something else.
Whatever.
It is report
Yes.
to given a
Yes,
collector
yes.
doesn't make any difference. I am basically not going to the merit, just to
Yes.
have
Yes.
some idea about the matter. It's not merit, is not important. (49) Despite a favorable report by the committee, the NGT, Western Zone, sorry, Eastern Zone, EZ, disposed of the original application with the direction to the state respondent to initiate criminal proceedings against the respondent number 17 and 18. sorry, against the present petitioner.
18 my lord.
Against the present petitioner. Against the present petitioner.
And the officers for
And their officers.
Tahsildar. Right, para 50.
And also against the Tahsildar.
They are not participating.
Just factual thing.
Order,
that's it.
factor.
And also against the Tahsildar of that Tahsildar and additional Tahsildar who was serving during the relevant time. Learned counsel for the petitioner further submits that as per section 14 of the NGT Act 2010, section 14 quote kar do par, hala? 14, 15. Huh? And the subsequent section 15, report quote kar do. 5 jack, 8 and 11. So it is a civil action should follow. A civil action should follow rather the criminal action against the violators. Polluter pay principle is an inherent principle that is the bedrock of the National Green Tribunal Act, which has been followed time and again for dealing with the violators. But in the present case, the passing an order for criminal prosecution, which is unknown to the spirit of the NGT Act. Further, he submits that the petitioner has not been issued notice before passing such punitive measure against the present petition. Hello?
My lord, here it may be, I was noticed, my lord, but the report which was used as a, my lord, tool against me,
Before that,
there, yes, before that committee I was not
so
noticed.
you are present there.
I was present.
present
there.
there.
He has not taken note of any of my submissions, my lord. That this report is perverse. I was not
Then how can
noticed.
I remand back then? If you are not present, I would have remanded back.
No, my lord, I am present. That is not the case. This report is the basis of the conclusion. That was prepared behind my back. I was not, my lord, I have to be present. Whether the, my lord, that too, they have used bamboo also to measure the quantity. Your lordship may kindly look at the report. He says that bamboo was used to measure the quantity. So I have to be present
But
anyhow.
when the committee was set up and at that time you are there.
No, I was not there, my lord. Before the committee.
There and the
No,
and
here the
entity you are
committee.
present.
No, my lord, the committee has to notice me because I am the lessee, my lord. That's
He further submits that the principle of natural justice has been violated by the committee, which has not even summoned the present petitioner and took
it's covered by a recent judgment of Justice Nagaratna, my lord. A clear, the same fact. That if a report is prepared and that is being used, my lord, para 20, your lordship may kindly look at.
para
22,
20.
my lord. 22, my lord.
22.
A reading of the above clearly indicates that NGT is a judicial body and therefore exercises adjudicatory function. The very nature of an adjudicatory function would carry with it the requirement of that the principles of natural justice are complied with, particularly when there is an adversarial system of hearing the cases before the tribunal or for that matter before the court in India. The NGT, though is a
Yes,
special
I
act,
understand.
yes.
Since a lot of technicalities are to be explained to the committee
Yes.
and the alleged violations shown by are to be explained by the parties, it is imperative that the parties should be the parties are noticed to put for their position. But in the present case, such action is grossly absent.
23 and 24 are, let's see, 23 and para 23 and 24. Put it clearly on that. Even if it is an expert opinion, they have to, to notice.
He further submits that a recent decision of Supreme Court in Singularly Superthermal Power Station versus Ashwini Kumar Dubey reported in, decided in Civil Appeal number 3856 of 2022, wherein at paragraph 23, the court has observed that, observe the following, 23 has quote called. Observe the following, 24 and 24 and 23. So in view of the above, the NGT has, the committee has violated, the committee appointed by the NGT has violated the principle of natural justice. Hence, the matter is, accordingly, the matter is, in view of the above, the matter is remanded back to the NGT for fresh adjudication of the issue, especially the committee report. The committee constituted by the NGT should give the petitioner a reasonable hearing and pass order in accordance with law. Accordingly disposed. Next.
Item
The
12.
impugned order is set aside and reviewed.
Right.
Deeply applied. Deeply applied.
Next.
Item 12.
12.
Petitioner prays to grant liberty to
12.
may be granted the approach to appropriate for
Sorry, so आप सुबुनी कौन कोचुन अपना?
petitioner prays to
एपड़े आसन, एडी आसन.
liberty.
हाँ, कौन कोचुन?
Petitioner prays to liberty. and
सर
to
ठीक है, जोरे कौन
may
तो
be
मुझे नहीं
granted.
कौन कोचुन अपना?
It is appropriate form. Appropriate form रेटा है नहीं तो this
कौन कोचुन ठीक है अपना बुझाने मते?
appropriate
नहीं अपना कौन कोचुन मुझे बुझिली नहीं. Can you explain me? ओडिया रे कौन तू?
petitioner pray କରୁଛି ପ୍ରାର୍ଥନା କରୁଛି
ହଁ.
ଏଟା application ଟା
ହଁ?
ଏଟା writ application ଟା
हाँ.
ଏଟା ଆପଣ appropriate form ରେ ହେଇନି ତେଣୁ
ओ अच्छा अपना withdraw करके आउटर फाइल करिवे. Okay. Land council petitioner seeks to withdraw writ petition in order to file a better writ petition with all relevant documents. Accordingly, writ petition is allowed to be withdrawn. Withdrawn आउटर फाइल कर दो जाना. अपन liberty दे दो चला and granted liberty to file the writ petition afresh. Accordingly disposed. Next.
Item 13.
13.
Item 13 and 14 relates to funny compensation matter. I need some more time. Today I talked with the ADM. He said that he need the
Funny.
I think.
Okay. Land council for the state 6 1 week time to take instruction. List the matter on 25th. 25th. Next.
Item 15.
15. 15.
Yes, my lord.
Pass over.
After
What?
lunch, after lunch.
Our the ochandi avu.
Some information is required, my lord.
Land
After
council
lunch.
pass order. Pass.
After discuss.
Pass over detail. Next.
Item 16.
16.
May I please, your lords. My lord, the father of the petitioner had taken two housing loan, my lord, in the year 2018. Thereafter, he has taken one top-up loan in the year 2000. My lord, the father of the petitioner had taken two housing loan, my lord. In the year 2018, he has taken rupees 12 lakh, my lord. Thereafter, in the year 2021, my lord, he has taken again one top-up loan, my lord. Rupees
Keto?
22 lakhs, my lord.
So 18 lakh.
18 lakhs and 22 lakhs in the year 2021. And regularly,
40
he's,
lakh. You have total taken 40 lakh.
my lord,
Hmm.
and he is regularly paying the EMI amount, my lord.
Problem call kodi.
My lord, what the problem is, my lord, in persons to Annexure 4.
Sir, annexure no koi koi hobani.
Yes,
Sir, apan gote jinsa ta janichandi.
sir,
There is a concept called floating rate of interest.
my lord.
Floating rate of interest la higher जेतबे market rate बढ़िबो सेतबे बढ़िबो नले कमिले कमिबो आपण काली कमी गले आपण कम मागिबे सेतबे कहे I am asking सेतबे तो कोड आसीबिनी आपण कहे he is asking lesser rate of interest sir please give me relief कहिबे कहिबेनी.
Now they are demanding. my
Now
lord,
they are demanding because there is a fee,
7.7%, my lord.
there is a repo rate.
My lord.
That is RBI declares the repo rate. Accordingly, 0.5 basis or 0.25 basis, in that way the repo rate increases or decreases, that affects your loan.
My lord.
That
My lord,
that
after
affects your
death
loan.
of my father, the present petitioner, the guarantor, my lord. And now
Sir,
that
who was he?
At the time of occurrence, the said witness was present
Present.
in the home, my lord.
Okay. Tapare?
And she stated, may I read the statement that is the, my lord, I have annexed.
Again, tike or level of preparation, tike पढ़ी के आसंतु बिना कागज पत्र कही की स्टोरी टिके आपण माइंड रे छां छां आसीथिबा दरकार, देन दैट इज ए करेक्ट प्रिपरेशन. बिना पढ़ी के खाली एटी खोलिबे एनेक्सर रे कोन ए रबिया छाड़ दू.
Yes, ma'am.
You are a modern advocate.
No.
Don't just have that kind of boring practice.
Fact of the case, my lord, the
Head of the case नहीं, मु कहूची से लोक कोन कला मते स्टेट कोन कोन एलिगेशन.
I am listening.
हां कोन.
The deceased was doing prostitution business.
Don't say business. Why are you saying business? Prostitution not a business.
Prostitution.
हाँ, he's engaged in business कहले तो गला sentence ठीक करो. ये कौन उल्टा सीधा है?
With the help of her husband.
हाँ.
And on the date of occurrence, my lord, one Neha Kumar Paswan with the deceased, my lord. On the said date, my lord, 2 persons came to the place, my lord, and doing that work. And on the very same day, while she was
Our paper पढ़ंती.
Paswan stated that on the date of occurrence, 2 persons came. She does not know the name
Who
of.
are the 2 persons?
No, I am not the 2 person.
Okay.
She stated the present petitioner introduced Neha Kumar Paswan to the deceased, my lord.
Okay.
And my lord, on the date of occurrence, 2 persons came there, committed the sex act with the my lord Neha Kumar
I'll
Paswan.
just read out the relevant.
You tell me.
And I have annexed and I
Hey, Rohan, the election, go on.
This is the statement of the main accused who has actually committed the murder. କିଛି ଦିନ ଆଗରୁ ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ ଗତ 18/10/2020 ଦିନ ଅପରାହ୍ନ ଆମ 3 ଜଣଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଗୋପାଳ ବାବୁ ଓ ତାଙ୍କର ସାଥୀ ମୁନ୍ନା ଓ କ୍ଷିତୀଶ କୁମାର ନନ୍ଦୀ
Kshish Kumar Nandi present.
ଆମ ସହିତ ଜଗତପୁରରେ ଦେଖା କଲେ। କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା ସମୟରେ ଗୋପାଳ ବାବୁ ଆମକୁ କହିଲେ ଗୋଟେ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଲୋକର ମର୍ଡର କରିଦେଲେ 50,000 ଟଙ୍କା ଦିଆଯିବ। This is the entire sum and substance of the allegation.
କି ଗୋପାଳ ବାବୁ କହିଲେ?
ଗୋପାଳ ବାବୁ କହିଲେ this
ଗୋପାଳ
person
ବାବୁଟା
was
କିଏ? ଗୋପାଳ ବାବୁଟା କିଏ?
the person who has hired the killers.
No, husband of the deceased.
Husband no, paramour. The guy was always
Husband of the.
सी कहले तापर काहू कहली एक नंदी को.
Nahi, Nandi was accompanying the Gopal Babu who had hired the killers.
His role is that. That's
His role is that.
And he should get it. कितने वर्ष रहलेनी?
More than 3 years, my lord.
Custody, my lord.
11/2020.
3/11/2020. Lord Constable petition submits that the petitioner has been in custody from 3/11/2020. What is the stage of the trial?
7 witnesses has been examined
Out of
30, out of 24.
Out of 20, he further submits that 7 witnesses have already been examined out of 24, and the trial is not likely to be concluded in near future. He further submits that he was not the prime accused in the case. Rather, he was only accompanied the prime accused. To accompanied to what? कहाँ पकड़ ले?
Accompanied to hire the killers.
Accompanied to hire the killer, but he doesn't have any kind of nexus with the killing, except he accompanied since he knew, and he did not know the motive of the killer. ठीक है लिखले ना ताको देबी और केन देबी ठीक है तो गप्पा लिखबी ना.
He had accompanied the person who had given the money to the.
Okay, yeah, only person who has given money to the supari killer. है ना supari killer.
Super. Manage.
Since he has and since he has spent such a long time without trial, he deserves to be released on bail. Okay, granted.
Obliged.
प्रिपेयर करके आइले 2 मिनिट केस सर आप प्रिपेयर करना ना कागज टे लिखि समस्त कागज न लिखि मो कोर्ट रे आर्ग्यू करबिनी 1993 रो केस भगवान कम आसी
Modification file.
एते वर्ष परे मॉडिफिकेशन मन पड़ला
98 रो file.
हां
98 रे modification.
98 रो मॉडिफिकेशन एबे हे कोन मॉडिफिकेशन कोन प्रेयर टा कोन देखला What is the prayer? This one, P, flag P.
Lagi.
A.
Recalling pen dito.
Huh?
Recalling pen dito.
Recalling after so many years. कितने वर्ष पर रिकॉलिंग फाइल कुछ
नहीं तो फाइल को 98
अरे बाबा रिकॉलिंग के ऑर्डर के पास ही थिला
98
98 रे इमीडिएटली the petitioner a last chance may be granted to the petitioner to put forth his case. List the matter on 24th. No, 24th current. 16th. Current. Next.
19.
19.
Item number 19.
এটা भी बहुत पुराना डाउन
Fresh.
fresh non APS. List the matter on 17. Next.
Item 20.
20.
Well, it may pass over because learn senior counsel Mr. Kanan will
Pass over. Okay, pass over. Next.
Item 21.
21. 21.
Item 21 not press my lord.
এটা কোন?
Item 21 not press my lord.
Requisite file करना है.
Not press your lordship lord.
Okay. Last chance is granted to the petitioner to file the requisite within 1 week, failing which the resti shall failing which the petition is dismissed for non-prosecution without reference to the court. Next.
Item 21 not press.
Sorry?
Not press my.
Not press. Oh.
Item 21 not press my lord.
21. 21. End करता है?
My
the petitioner submit that he doesn't want to press the matter. Not press. Next.
22.
Challenging the maintenance, my lord, under annexure 1.
केते मेंटेनेंस के आपन क्या चैलेंज करछथि
5,000, my lord.
5,000
My lord.
तळ कोट केते दिला
5,000.
अपील रे
अपील करनी
बुझलो ना आपण ये अपील नहीं की
397.
जेएमएफसी कला बरा जेएमएफसी कला तार अपील जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट को
एठी भी ला हे परिबे
कहीं ला हे परिबे आपण अपील गोटे फोरम रे कहीं छाड़ीबे ला हे परिबे बोली पळे आसी जान दो सेठी
लॉर्डशिप ग्रांट लिबर्टी लॉर्डशिप ग्रांट
हां क्लाइंट का सही एडवाइस दिया करो भाई हां तो कोई थान दे तापर आस्तान दे दी आपण सेंती भी आपण जागा सुरक्षित कोई थान दे land council for the petitioner. So what are you doing?
मिलिटारी चाकरी करछि
हां
मिलिटारी चाकरी करछि
मिलिटरी चाकरी करछि आउ केते सैलरी तला
सैलरी आगे मोर देन 50 थिबो
अच्छा मोर देन 50 थिबो 5000 टका दे परिबिन
ना हुजूर से मैरिज टा हम डिस्प्यूट करछु हम तक बाहेनु से किंतु मैरिज से को क्लेम करछु
आपण पुओ पई बाहे ना देबन
ताकू बाहेनु या
This is a delay, my lords. 5 years.
Passed in CMC number 97 of 2014 by the Court of Learned JMFC Karanjia in the district of Mayurbhanj. The petitioner has approached this court much after about more than
5 years.
6 years.
Almost 6.
6 years. 6 almost नहीं 6 year clause कर सारानी.
Basically.
हिसाब करो ना. More than 6 years, which is barred by limitation accordingly. Dismissed for delay. Next.
23.
23.
Madam, paper 1 week to remove the defects, my lord.
Sorry?
Madam, paper 1 week to remove the defects, my lord.
Defects removing?
No, my lord.
Lord, consider the petitioner 6 1 week time to remove the defects. List the matter on 1st February. After answer, the rest to proceed with listing after removal of the defects. Next.
24.
24.
24, my lord, permitted to withdraw.
Withdraw. Okay. Learned counsel for the petitioner 6. What is your name? I forgot.
Agni Shikharai.
Agni Shikharai. Aye. Okay. Agni
Oh.
Shikharai. 6, permission to withdraw the repetition. Okay.
Obliged.
Accordingly, dismissal withdrawn. Next.
25.
25.
Well, actually 2 week times to remove the defects one.
Huh?
2 week time to remove the defects.
The learned counsel for the petitioner 6, 2 weeks time to 1 week time more removal of defects for 2 weeks time. 1 week time to remove the defects. This is the matter on to 20 after send the order. They ready to process proceed with listing of the matter after removal of the defects. Next.
26.
My lord, I am challenging answer 3, my lord.
My lord,
that is the rejection of 311 petition. My lord, victim is the POXO Act is there. I prayed for recalling of the witness victim. My lord, chance was there, but some questions were lying. Some questions which were did not.
Ground. Challenge ground.
The rejection made by the court, trial court, my lord.
Sufficient time
The cross ta hitala
I not cross examined, sir.
My lord, I have also made cross examined, but some questions were lying vacant.
Learned additional ad hoc additional session judge Baleswar. এটা কেবে কার কেস এটা অর্ডারটা
এটা অর্ডার ডেটেড
2020 র আপন আসছে
না 10/5/23 র 23 মସିହାରେ ଆମେ ଫାଇଲ କରୁଛୁ
23 ର ହଉ
ପେଜ 20 ହଜୁର
ସେଟା ଛାଡନ୍ତୁ 20
ଆଗରୁ ବି ଥରେ ଫାଇଲ କରିଥିଲେ କ୍ରିମିନାଲ ରିଭିଜନ
that question
that has been considered by the honorable court and dismissed.
ସେ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ଦେଖିଲେ
ସେ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ଟ୍ରାଏଲ କୋର୍ଟରେ ବି ଦେଲେନି ସେ ଅର୍ଡରଟା by suppressing that again they have filed another petition.
ବଡ ମହାନ ସର
ନାଇଁ ହଜୁର ଆମେ ବି ଲେଖିଛୁ এই petition ରେ we have not stressed my
no case made out the petition the learned counsel for the petitioner has filed the challenge the order passed by the learned additional additional session judge FTSC Balasore. The petitioner has filed the petition under section 311 of CRPC. On 26/4/2023 before the said court, without mentioning about order dated 10/4/2023 of the this court in CRL REV number 108 of 2023.
ନାଇଁ ହଜୁର ସେଟା ବି ଅର୍ଡର ରିଫ୍ଲେକ୍ଟ ହେଇଛି
ଏଇଟା ପରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି
ହଁ 108
108 କଣ ପଢୁଛି ମୁଁ ଏଇଥିରୁ ହିଁ ଦେଖୁଛି
ଆମେ ସପ୍ରେସ୍ କରନୁ ଦେଇଛୁ
it is apparent that the accused had deliberately suppressed ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଆଉ ଆପଣ ଲେଖିଛି suppress କରିଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି
ମାନେ ଦେଇଛୁ ସେ ତାଙ୍କର ସେ ଜାଣିଲେ କେମିତି ଆମେ ଫାଇଲ କରୁଥିଲୁ ବୋଲି
not
It has been brought by the PP.
This court is not inclined to entertain the application.
This petition is a separate questions, my lord.
We petition since the act of the petitioner to delay the things unnecessarily. So, hence, this court is not inclined to entertain the criminal revision.
And also there is a bar under subsection 5 of section 33 of the POXO Act.
There is a judgment. I want to produce the judgment.
Section?
Subsection 5 of section 33 of the POXO Act.
There is also bar.
My lord, there is a judgment, my lord.
That judgment କେତେ ଅଛି ଛାଣ ମୁଁ ବି ବହୁତ ଜାଗାରେ ଦେଇଛି ବହୁତ ଜାଗାରେ ଦେଇନି ଆପଣ ଭଳିଆ ଲୋକ ଦେବା କଥା
ନା ହଜୁର ଏଟା ଏକା କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ଟା
I'm not
ଯଦି 37 ହଜୁର ଲେଖେ ମୋ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଟା ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାଇଡ କରନ୍ତୁ
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ I am happy to do.
judgment ଟା କଣ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି?
land control petition.
Karnataka head.
That has been distinguished in the impugned order.
I know. They allow-
Right?
Like in cases, in case of the criminal petition number 3 case, wherein the Karnataka High Court has allowed such 311 petition. About this state cases got distinguished from the facts of the present case, which court is not the means by the judgment. Approved by the Okay, next.
Item 27.
27.
My lordship, I'm here for my senior advocate S.C. Mahapatra for adjournment.
Huh?
2 weeks time.
Yeah?
S.C. Mahapatra, senior advocate.
2 weeks time कम कौन जा जो वैसे यार खाली टाइम नहीं उछामो आर्गुमेंट करे पे मैटर टाइम नहीं चलছে फर्स्ट टाइम एससी फर्स्ट टाइम
Again.
Lord Counsel Petitioner 6 8 weeks time to 8 weeks time to advert them 8 weeks you don't say anything
No, I am not.
କିଛି କହିବେନି ଆପଣ 2 weeks ହେଲେ ମୁଁ 8 weeks ଦେଲି ଆପଣ କହିବେନି କିଛି no problem you're not in a hurry
No, no.
okay 2 weeks time ଦେଲି ହଁ କେମିତି advocate କିଛି କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି ପୁରା 8 28
Item number 28, 1 week time may be given to remove the defects.
okay 1 week time for removal of defects
Gentlemen.
so restricting forget the restrictive process for listing accordingly. Next
29.
29
49, my lord, kindly be taken 1 week after. In the meantime, I will remove all the defect, my lord.
हाँ
Kindly be
ଆପଣ
taken.
डिफेक्ट କାହିଁ ରିମୁଭ୍ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ରିମୁଭ୍ କରିବେ ନା ସେ ଆଗ ଅଭ୍ୟାସ ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ଡିଫେକ୍ଟ ରିମୁଭ୍ ନ କଲେ ଲାଗିବନି ଏତ Land Counsel with the petitioner is granted to sign. Next
Item 30.
30, I have already served the
Copy.
of the State Council.
Okay.
Next week. Yes.
You got it?
Yes. Next week. Yes.
ଦେଇଦେଲେ ତ ଏବେ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରିବେ
No,
ନେକ୍ସଟ
I will do it next week.
କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଫାଇଲ ଦେଇଦେବେ ସେ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରିବେ
Just next week.
କଣ ଅଛି ମ୍ୟାଟରଟା ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱିକ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ କଣ ମ୍ୟାଟରଟା କହିଲେ
But here in this case, my lord, the petitioner has challenged the order passed by the my lord, ADM, my lord, 27/4/2023 as well as 6/7/2000.
what is the ADM order what happened କହନ୍ତୁ
Yes, my lord. Here in this case,
କଣ ହେଇଛି
the petitioner was in possession over a my lord, shop room from 90.
what shop
My lord, shop that is Ganesh Mr. Bhana, that is restaurant. That is a restaurant, my lord.
shop ଏସ୍ଟାବ୍ଲିଶ ଆମର ଆସୁନି ତ
One for
ଆମର କେବଳ ମେଡିସିନ shop ଆସିବ ଏଠି ଅଲଗା
here, my
ଦୋକାନ
lord,
ମିଷ୍ଟାନ୍ନ ଦୋକାନ ଆସୁନି ଆମର
yes, ma'am. There is a private dispute between the
ଏଇଟା କେମିତି ଆସିବ
petitioner. It 144 proceeding ରେ ହେଇଛି.
ତା କ୍ରିମିନାଲ ଡିଭିଜନ କଣ ପାଇଁ ହେଲା ଏଇଟା
My lord, the IIC filed a my lord 144 proceeding before the ADM, my lord. Where, my lord, the ADM direct without making any inquiry, so motto, my lord, stated that the OP number 5 is the my lord title holder. My lord, civil proceeding has decided and locked the key and my lord took the key. Now the petitioner is also my lord entire business entire
okay
thing.
issue notice to opposite party issue notice
And
ତାପରେ
that 144 order has been passed in view of the situation arises. So that should not be stayed, my lord, because it's law and order situation.
I'm just issue notice I'm not issue notice next
And
next
the key is with my lord the IIC. my
how
lord.
is it ସେ ଆସିବ ଦେବା ଆପଣ ଆଣନ୍ତୁ next
Item 31.
I'll be appearing in for opposite party number 1. Balance requisites are fine.
copy ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
Opposite party number 1, 2, 3, and opposite up to 4. 5 requisites are to be.
1 to 4 waves of notice 5 file
In the miscase also, I have filed a miscase.
okay notice on next
Item 31.
one, my lord, expertise judgment of maintenance against the husband. Husband before, my lord, 10,000 to wife and 5,000 each to
You are for the
children.
husband?
I am for the husband.
Okay, what is your profession?
My profession, I am working in a Indian Railway at Titlagarh.
Indian Railway?
Indian
What is
Railway.
your post?
Pardon?
Which
Clerical post.
Clerical. What is your monthly salary?
Monthly salary is 1,47,000 some odds.
1,47,000 clerical post.
हाँ सेटा गोटे एरियर बैक एरियर मिलगला तो तेणु बर्तमान लास्ट
Otherwise केते?
अदरवाइज 59,000 some
59,000.
The fact remains, my lord.
What is the expertise order?
Expertise order, my lord, the learned court has directed me to pay 10,000 rupees to the wife and 5,000 each to the children.
So 10 plus
5, that is 20,000.
20,000.
In the expertise order, when I
What is
file
the
an
age of the-
application,
age of the children?
age of children is one is 11, other is 14.
What is 6th class?
Yes, they are minor, admitted.
I would 14.
I would 14. The fact remains, I file an application for setting aside of the ex parte order under section 126. That was rejected.
Okay.
That was rejected. I approached the Honorable Court in a
Okay, issue
42
notice.
application.
Issue notice.
And they have now issued the warrant of conditional warrant, NBW.
Take it.
And one more thing why I am saying, my lord also sit in a one criminal division 481 of 23. My lord has directed both the parties to for a settlement at the mediation hall. Mediation is going on. It is their approach. There is some.
Anyway, just I'm issuing notice.
Yes.
Issue notice to the the present petitioner files a criminal revision challenging the ex parte order dated 10/7/2023 passed by the CMC number 9 of 2020 by the court of SDGM Titlagarh, directing the petitioner to pay a maintenance of rupees 10,000 to the opposite party number 1 and 5,000 per month each to opposite party number 2 and 3 from the date of filing of the petition. Hence, he has filed the present revision. He further submits that I
have filed an IA 962 of 23, where one thing, he has filed an application for revision. Here.
No. He also further submits that there is some mediation going on.
Yes, going on before the.
Okay, there is a mediation going on between the parties.
As per my lord's direction.
Before the
mediation hall.
Mediation center, High Court.
High Court
Mediation Center also. So issue notice to the opposite party. Number 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
Minor time.
No, my lord. You will submit for 3 because mother will appear for all.
1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. By registered post. It will be filed within 3 days from today. In the meantime, there shall be stay of the operation of the order dated 10/7/2023 passed in CMC number 9 of 2020 by the court of SDGM Titlagarh.
One more prayer, my lord. File an application for stay of NBW. NBW against.
Okay, code is there. So application
is 962 of 23. 962 of 23.
Nice.
It is filed on 27/12/23.
Good. He further submits that there is an NBW has been issued.
Conditional NBW.
Conditional NBW has been issued against the present petitioner. Who is you are an army officer? Sorry.
Railway.
Oh, sorry, I'm so sorry. I'm getting confused. Already army. Okay. Hence, he prays for stay of the operation of the order dated 28/8/2023 and 22/11/2023 till the disposal of the revision list. Next.
32.
Left this copy.
Can I say one thing? Can I substitute by filing a Xerox?
Yeah. दे देवे आज नॉल रेशे कौन ठीक है नेक्स्ट
Item 32.
Item 32 judgment copy you might have certificate copy find the Xerox copy
defect oh remove the defect
within
okay plant cost will one week time to remove the defects list the matter on 1st February next
33.
May it be the lordships, and the order of rejection, I prayed for taking cognizance of the offences without sanction, my lord. The allegations
you are who are you?
But I am the complainant, my lord.
You are the complainant.
Yes, my lord.
So what is your difficulty?
But I am a tribal person, my lord.
भाई क्या हुआ बताओ तो.
And what has happened in this, my lord, allegations of forgery and creating documents, my lord, forging documents.
Who?
He is a land acquisition officer, my lord.
Land acquisition officer.
My lord, under Rule 21(4) of the Land Acquisition Rules, my lord, 2016, it says, my lord, Form J has to be collected from the affected persons, my lord, that is, my lord, giving consent for the land acquisition. My lord, my allegation that my thumb impression was taken and it was produced before the saying that I have given the consent.
So you are basically challenging the
yes, my lord.
refusal of sanction.
Yes, my lord.
What is the order?
My lord, order is Annexure 2, my lord. The Annexure 2, your lordship may kindly see, I have given the Annexure 1 is my complaint petition. Annexure 2, your lordship may kindly see. Yes, completely misdirected.
Who is the authority?
My lord.
He is the authority. Who is the authority for sanctioning?
The state government, my lord. He was the ADM at that point of time.
Somebody must be there. State
Yes.
government mane kaun?
My lord, he was at that point of time land acquisition officer from ADM, my lord, of Sundargarh, my lord. Now, your lordship may kindly see. And the allegations of forgery has noted down. Your lordship may kindly see that paragraph, page 19. Impugned order, page 19.
Issue notice. I will notice the
accused number 1, my lord. And it is covered by your catena of judgments.
ठीक है अटकी जान तो कैटना ऑफ जजमेंट था उधर नोटिस इशू करबी नहीं तापरे कैटना देखेबे
My lord, accused number 1 only, my lord, petition number 1. 2 is my lord a private person, my lord, because he was there in the only my lord accused.
Okay, number 1.
OP number 1.
OP number 1. Violation proceed.
Short reasonable date, my lord. I'll take notice based.
While project within 3 days from today, list the matter on 2nd February.
Oblige.
Next.
34.
For the timing,
34.
I'll take notice to OP number 1. Oblige.
Next.
Item 34. My lord, item 34 as for noting judgment copy is not filed, but already filed, my lord.
You filed?
Yes, lord.
Ashi.
Nice.
Hamara ashi nahi.
13-12.
13-12. Another day.
Day after tomorrow.
Defects will be removed. A chance. Check kar de.
And question of limitation, my lord, the judgment awarded passed in dictated.
Abang asu to, abang file ashi nahi amo file. So let it come on some other. This is the matter on 18. Hala. Next.
35.
35.
This application, the petitioner challenges the
How do you
order. Petitioner challenges the confirming order judgment dated
Delay
2
of
of
6 years.
2017.
Delay of 6 years, 7 months.
What is the order? That happened.
That is the lordship petitioner has to go undergo RI for 2 years and pay 2,000 fine and
For what? For what? What is the offense?
for 363.
कौन कॉलेज कौन तो हाउ इज
363, 376.
इस सेक्शन पड़ा रहिबो आ किसी दिन सेक्शन भी पळेबो
The daughter of the informant went to watch some videos. So at next village, the petitioner on pretext
next village को वाला okay
and the adjacent village
ना दिन रे
at night.
At night.
At the petitioner.
very smart जियाटा तले
Petitioner being the co-villager and joined to the show and take her by giving the assurance to marry her and kept physical relationship with her.
assurance to marry.
And at the caste field, the physical assault has
So you've been convicted.
Yes, I am convicted under section 363, 376.
What is the ground for delay?
Lordship, as that I am on bail during the trial, I could not get the information from my learned.
File kochindi?
Yeah, bail.
What is that? What is that?
I for
केते
bail.
दिन रहले भितरे ना नाही मोटे
Already bail रे अछि during the
Bail
trial. During the
केबे रहनी भितरे केते दिन रहिछथि
Seita lekhain.
Tell me what is this
770.
770. Kain ground kain? On what? Why you did not? That's the ground.
Only ground is at
2,346 days delay, madam.
Yes, yes, Lordship.
Then what is your reply to that?
That I could
Explanation
not,
kaun?
I could not get information from my advocate that
Okay, grant
order.
delay. I mean,
Lordship,
condone. Delay condone. Delay condone.
Another IF for bail and sterilization of
सब सब है ध्यान दो delay condone कर दो bail से सो ले लो. Next
36.
36.
The petitioner has challenged the order passed by the ADJ Kotak
that he reduced the maintenance, interim maintenance, 10,000 to 5,000 rupees. And in DB case, the land JMFC are directed to pay 10,000 rupees. The petitioner is a teacher of the EP school and he is getting 40,000 rupees per month.
One, author kale?
The petitioner had challenged the order passed by the land ADJ Kotak and reduced the interim maintenance 10,000 to 5,000 rupees. In DV case, the
So you are for the girl.
my lord,
Wait for the girl.
my lord,
So you are affected by the order passed by the learned ADJ.
ADJ my lord.
Kete kamaila?
10,000 ରୁ 5,000 କରିଦେଇଛି। ସେ UP school teacher 40,000 rupees is getting his salary.
ଆପଣ କିଛି କରନ୍ତି?
My lord,
What is your profession? Your client's profession?
and nothing. He is a housewife.
Housewife. You have children?
I can't say my lord.
You have to say, sir.
No, sorry, I'm.
ଆପଣ ଫାଇଲ ନେଲା ବେଳେ ପଇସା ପକେଟରେ ପୁରେଇ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି କେତେଟା ତାର ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ଅବ୍ଲିଗେସନ କଣ କିଛି କହିବେନି?
ନାଇଁ ତାର ପିଲା ଛୁଆ କିଛି ନାହିଁ।
ସେ ତ କହିବେ ଆଉ ସେ ତ ପଚାରୁଛି ଆଉ ଖାଲି କଲର ଗାନ୍ଧୀ ମୁଣ୍ଡ ଦେଖିଲେ ହବ କି ବାକି ବି ଦେଖିବେ ନା ଆଉ ବାକି
ଆମେ ରହୁଛୁ କେନ୍ଦ୍ରାପଡ଼ାରେ ସେ ଯାଜପୁରରେ ତାର କେଉଁଝରରେ ଚାକିରି।
କେନ୍ଦ୍ରାପଡ଼ାରେ 10,000 ଥିଲା ତ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଓକେ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ନୋଟିସ୍
My lord.
Issue notice the opposite party. Okay. Registered by registered post. The agreement filed within 3 days. List the matter on 7th February.
My lord.
आगे जी कभी नहीं स्टे पे किसी आगे नहीं
खाली से डायरेक्शन
डिले कहते
डिले नहीं
अपन सब कथा पछु
मेंटेनेंस टू पे मान he has not paid
आसु से आसिला पर सेटा एबे दिया
माने समथिंग टू पे हाउ
सर से लोक आसिनी समथिंग टू पे माने आसु से कोई
बंचिबो केमती तार किछि नाही
37
May I please, Your Lordship? The petitioner has applied for withdrawal of his complaint petition, Your Lordship, which has been rejected by the court below on the ground.
Complaint कौन पाइन करथिले?
1cc case file करथला that to से तार झियोटा जन पाखर काम करथला but prior to lodging the 1.5 year before that she died.
Sorry, I didn't.
1cc case has been filed by the
अब 1cc case कोर्ट में फाइल करथिले
against the accused, Your Lordship, alleging that he was killed by he killed the daughter. When
माल पके देले तार
ना सुनतु सेतरे कोन हिची आपण सेतरे
पक्का माल पके दिथिबो से
एबे
बिना माल रे आपण
2016 ले से that has been rejected. My petition has been that it has been I don't want to pursue since it has not been FIR has not been registered.
आपण चेक करन FIR रजिस्टर हिजु ननी
पुलिस तो मना करछ
आपण आउटर चेक करन लॉर्ड काउंसिल the state to check as to whether state to find out as to whether FIR has been lost by the petitioner or not. I'll list the matter on 7th February.
Night.
Next.
38.
38.
Hello, 2 years conviction under section 324 of IPC.
On the last occasion, Your Lordship was directed that my learned brother to file a IA, refile the IA for condonation of delay.
Kete delay?
2004
days. He is an illiterate person working at a Surat.
Surat.
Also handicapped person.
So you now it is now convicted.
My lord.
Convicted for 2 years.
2 years. Okay,
He
delay.
was on bail, my lord.
Okay, delay kan. Se similar se similar delay kan. A kon FIR I kon file करछन?
I for bail, my lord.
I for bail. Okay, bail granted. A kon kondu? Delay of 2000. Kete din?
2004 days.
2004 days condone. Since the petitioner is a labor class person who is working at Surat, which is far away from Bhanjanagar. And he was, and there was a huge communication gap between the petitioner and his lawyer. And therefore, not lawyer, advocate. Therefore, what is the difference between lawyer and advocate? Yes.
Allow 1 week time to remove the defect.
1 week time is granted to remove the defects. This the matter on 6th February. Next.
Item number 40.
40.
May I plead?
Yes.
But the order of cognizance Lords will get the order at page 51. At the instance of the husband, the affair filed by the husband against the wife, who is a government employee. The cognisance has been taken and now the delay is about 182 days. 72.
So we are challenging what?
I am challenging the order of cognizance.
Where is that?
My lord, admittedly, my lord.
Where is that? Where is that?
That order is your lords get at page 51.
51. Yes.
So CASI has placed the CS number such and such before this on the court. IO has submitted above charge sheet on the section 294, 500.
So tell me what is the ground for challenging?
The ground for challenging, my lord. In fact, so many other proceedings in various court between the husband and wife. And all the cases are pending at Baripada. Now, my lord, in order to harass the petitioner, who is the wife of the informant, he has lost the affair at Rairangpur. And the allegation
This is against the Rairangpur affair.
Rairangpur affair. And the allegation is that over telephone, he assassinated the character of his sister, his mother. That is the allegation. And your lordship will.
Okay, issue notice. Issue notice to OP number
2, man.
2. Only one OP?
Delay may be count on 107.
Okay, delay.
Further stay.
Stay for the person.
I have sought for the stay of.
State 884, no? State 884? 884 ki state? In the meantime, there shall be stay of the proceedings of the city case number 1181 of 2022 pending in the court of learned SDGM Rairangpur to the disposal of the criminal division. Issue notice to 3 working days. Because it may file within 3 working days. This is the matter on 12 February.
Okay.
Next.
41.
41.
7 years of conviction, lordship. During trial, the petitioner was on bail.
Sorry?
7 years of conviction, lordship.
What did you do?
The allegation of 376, lordship. 3 years, lordship. During trial, I was on bail. And in fact, lordship, the kidnapping affair has been initiated by the father of the victim. And thereafter, the victim was rescued and allegation of without consent.
Now you are here for what? About केबे रही ना केते रही
ଏବେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଏଇ କେସ୍ 2-3-2023 ରୁ ଅଛି ଭିତରେ ଏବେ
ଭିତରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି
ଲର୍ଡସିପ
2-3
2-3-2023 ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ରେ ବେଲ ରେ ଥିଲେ ଅପିଲ ରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ବେଲ ରେ ଥିଲେ
7 ବର୍ଷ 9 ମାସ delay.
7
ବର୍ଷ 9 ମାସ
2820 ଅପୁ ଡିଲେ
ସରି ଜଣ କହିଲେ
7 years 9 months delay madam.
delay କେମିତି delay ର explanation
ନାଇଁ ସେ conducting counsel in fact the conducting counsel
ସବୁ ତ ଲୟର କୁ ଦୋଷ ଦେବେ ଆଉ ଆପଣ କିଛି ଦୋଷ ନାହିଁ ଯାହା ହେଲେ ଲୟର ଦୋଷ
ନାଇଁ ସେ no more lordship for that reason the result is not
everybody saying ଲୟର ଦେଲାନି ଲୟର କହିଲାନି ଲୟର କଲାନି
ନାଇଁ no senior ଲୋକ no more lordship because of
he died okay ଲୟର ନାରେ ରକ୍ଷା ପାଇ ଗଲେ ଆପଣ ତାର ଡେଥ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ହେଲ୍ପ କଲା ଓକେ କୋଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
lordship
କୋଉଠି
ସେଇ ପାର୍ଟ ମୁଁ ଲେଖିନି
ନ ଲେଖିଲେ
ନାଇଁ ଲେଖିଛି lordship they kindly glance paragraph 4 lordship that it is pertinent to in the delay application IA 904 lordship
ସେ କହିବେ ନା ଅଧା ଆପଣ ପଢିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ କହିଦେବେ ମତେ କହିବେନି
ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଗଲାନି ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ଫ୍ରି ହେଇଯାଇଥିଲି that it is pertinent to mention here that the disposal of the criminal appeal before the lower appellate court was not communicated to
he is working somewhere else sir ସେଠି ଅଛି
ନାଇଁ ଇଏ ଗାଁରେ ହିଁ ରହୁଛି ପିଲା ଗାଁ ରହୁଛି
7 years delay okay delay करना the delay the delay of the land custom the state submits that there has been inordinate delay in filing the criminal division however considering his position as he is a rustic villager ପାଠଶାଠ ପଢିନି ତ ପଢିଛି
ନା
rustic villager କଣ କରେ
ସେ ବାହାର ଯାଇକି କାମ କରେ 21 ବର୍ଷ
laborer and he could not get the information about such order and therefore he could not file the revision in time. Accordingly, delay condoned. Hello. Tapre?
I for bail also.
Okay, I have bail granted. Next, how gonna?
I would I also stay up relation of file.
Stay relation file. Bail granted. Subject to. He is present, subject to, he is present before the local police station within once in a fortnight on every Monday between 10 to 1. ঠিক আছে? Okay. List the matter on 22nd February. Final hearing. Final hearing. না পড়ে যাবে কোয়াটা তারা মুখ খুঁজে
না মু তো টাইম নো
Next.
42.
42.
Minutes in item 42, I am appearing for petitioners, minutes. But I am appearing for petitioners, minutes.
Okay, okay, appear, sir. You're most welcome. Red carpet welcome. Now, please.
But my application for discharge under section 227.
On what ground? On what ground?
Because I was not present at that time of moment.
What happened? Story to Kwantu.
Minutes on 12th of February 2023, at about 11 p.m. the alleged incident was happened, and I was.
What kind of incident, sir? Incident the Kwantu?
307. Minutes 307.
कौन है क्या हितला कौन तो 30 इंसिडेंट माने 307 संख्या रे हितला इंसिडेंट
Minutes as per allegation of prosecution the
कौन हितला
सर तार मुंडरे माडा हितला सर
यार कितना दिन प्रैक्टिस में ये सब बात आओगे छोटा सा जिनसे 307 केमती एला कौन मैनर मेथड किछि कहबे नहीं एरे कौन কথা
petitioner माने जाइथिले सर
I am the petitioner one in this matter.
पिटिशनर दुईटा की ओके यार फॉर वन
Advocate
दुईटा
नहीं नहीं my lord actually मुझे petitioner number 1 আছে advocate appear होजन बेसी रे
आपण बैंड काई करे गला
बैंड कार्ड मु petitioner अछि my lord
ओ आपण निजे पिटिशनर ओ अच्छा अच्छा ओके ओके आ ये सेकंड पैसे करछंती
नहीं मो पई
I am for all three petitioners
इधर निजे आविर्भाव हेलेनी
my lord document की
कौन हला टी कहले टी सुनी
my lord actually as for complainant सेथरे February
आपण एठी प्रैक्टिस करंदी
my lord दिल्ली रे प्रैक्टिस करे
दिल्ली रे को कोर्ट रे
डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट
को डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट
साकेत डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट
साकेत रे ओके को साइड रे प्रैक्टिस करंदी
my lord 2022 रो my lord
को साइड रे प्रैक्टिस करंदी क्रिमिनल करंदी
just criminal start
criminal ओ आर्गु
my lord actually से मैटर रे कंप्लेंट जहा दे फाइल करछन my lord त तांको चोटी धरि की ये कांथरे पिटा हेछि बोली कहउछन जोटा कि 307 जोटा कि ग्रीवियस हट आछि बोली कहउछन किंतु आमे सेठी एलिजेंट इंसिडेंट
कोन हेतिला What is the incident?
Actually, जे कंप्लेनेंट अछन my lord जे पिटिशन नंबर 2 और 3 रो भौणी रो सासु अछन my lord सेथिरे
भौणी रो सासु
हां जे ता भौणी जे 75% डिजेबल लेडी my lord तो सेही मैटर रे my lord तो से इंसिडेंट प्लेस को हम तो पहुंची ही ना हो जोड़ा कि आगुरु से माने एमएलसी रे जोड़ा कि तो एमएलसी ये करा हिच टाइम पुबरु
So आपण basically want to discharge
my lord
okay,
profession my lord
okay issue notice to OP number एंगो कोड कॉपी देन द स्टेट को
my lord copy is provided already
1 and 2 कॉपी दैछन
हां my lord मो ये जजमेंट भी आनी my lord ग्रेव सस्पिशियस
अरे रोहन तुम जजमेंट आगे नोटिस से जाऊ जजमेंट काई तरबर होचंदी केते जैसे जजमेंट देखोचंदी की हां क्रिमिनल लॉ रे किसी जजमेंट फर माने कि जिने मु देखि भी निबी आ जजमेंट अब साकेत कोर्ट क्रिमिनल जजमेंट देखंती ओडी दरकार पॉइंट देखिबे ना सब क्रिमिनल रे जजमेंट किसी वैल्यू नाही सुप्रीम कोर्ट कहि छी क्रिमिनल रे प्रेसिडेंट वैल्यू सिफर बिग जीरो हला जजमेंट पछे आगो फैक्ट्स कहंतु क्रिमिनल रे आगो फैक्ट्स देखा जाय हला हां so you should notice to budget part number 1 and 2 one give a copy of the criminal revision petition may be given to the relevant council of the state Mr. Misra and OP number 2 may be served by a registered post the bill may be filed within 3 days list the matter on
my lord IAB file is for stay the criminal proceeding trial court proceeding को सर stay करिया
को कोर्ट अछि को कोर्ट अछि
ASJ बरमपुर
हां
ASJ एडिशनल चीफ जुडिशियल मजिस्ट्रेट बरमपुर मेलर्स ACJM बरमपुर मेलर्स
ACJM बरमपुर कोड आए कोडा 954 okay in the meantime there should be stay proceedings pending before the learned ASJ come additional CJM Barampur in case number ST 211 oblique 2023 in connection with GR case number 78 of 2023 pertaining to FIR number 81 of 2023 PS Patta for till final disposal of the case. List the matter on 13th February. Next. No, 14th February. No, Chutti. 15th. Okay. Okay. What is 14th February?
14th February, my lord,
Mahatma Gandhi Janmani?
No order of the appellate authority under challenge. The
Appellate authority or appellate court, sir?
appellate court
Court.
and the maintenance awarded by the Lord court below has been confirmed. We have filed application for enhancement.
Your father, girl.
Wife.
What is the amount?
Amount is only 25,000.
Only 20,000.
Yes,
Only.
he is drawing 3 lakhs for more than.
What is he doing?
He is a doctor.
Doctor where? WHO. So, girl is doing something?
No, nothing. They just started practice here.
So 25 पे आपना opposite party किया नहीं?
ना नहीं तांकर भी गोटे फाइल करछन सेटा अछि
जो
24/2 की
तो बेसिकली आसु
हां 26/2 की अछि हैं 24 नहीं
आपण का पई आपण भी opposite party
पिटिशन
तीन जन पिटिशनर पे
अच्छा जस्ट
ओके
681/23
81 by 2023
24
का संगे आसी जो ताल पिटिशनर भी थिबे तांको दे देबा लिस्ट में के 24 अछि
आगे नोटिस ता देले मु नै जिवि सासे
हां ओके इशू नोटिस टू द ऑपोजिट पार्टी and party number 1 खाली 1 था
हां
बाकी की केस सब
केस 970 of 23 आईए नंबर डिस्पेंस हुई डिस्पेंस सर्टिफिकेट
नो ये जो जीवो नोटिस टा 1 को जीवो
समस्त जीवो
आसु से दिन नोटिस करिमो से माने आसे से दे विल एक्सेप्ट द नोटिस हां
नले मते डायरेक्शन देले भी मु कॉपी सर्व कर
किछि ना से दिन दे दे एका कथा तो से दिन आसे फ्रंट रे देले से जानिबे किछि 24 रे अछि परा 24 आसु नेक्स्ट
नोटिस नेबे नी नोटिस
से दिन दे देबी एका संगे से दे देबी ऑन द इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू आउ केते दउथबे आपण
along with 681 it may come along with
हां along with
681
along with status next
item 44
Wait, please.
44
Wait, please, my lord. My lord, I'm challenging the disciplinary proceedings, my lord, in this case. My lord, what happened? Kindly have a glance to last order, my lord, on 4/4/2023.
sorry
Last order, my lord, 4/4/23. And
4.
accordingly, I filed the requisites even.
Real is not complete defect
नहीं my lord कौन हेची के थरे pleadings सबू complete थिला my learned senior friend my lord Mr. Manoj Mahanti was appearing in this case so he refused to argue on behalf of the corporation my lord it is in the 4/4/2023 order my lord.
No, what do you want today?
My lord, requisite filed. Nobody has appeared till date.
Orissa Small Scale Industries Corporation.
Yes.
OSIC बंची छी ना मरि गलानी
की कहले लोक
ए इंस्टीट्यूशन स्मॉल आजकल इंस्टीट्यूशन में मरि जाउछि ना
My lord गोटे खाली
ओरिसा स्मॉल इंडस्ट्रीज कॉर्पोरेशन बंची छी ना मरछि
अच्छी my lord कारण ସେମାନେ appear करथिले भी OSIC रो किछि लॉयर्स को नाम मेंशन अछि if they can appear and take the notice so that would be
why should I just
yes my lord
notice to that person MD na
MD
so issue notice to the managing director Orissa Small Industries Corporation by registered post and he shall appear before this court in person by virtual mode on 7th February at 2 p.m. Hala
speed post my lord
registered पर रखे भुवनेश्वर पर
कटक रे
आ कोन हाथ रे देले भी चलियो आ गुडे लिखि दियो
खाली
ऑल्सो आ गुडे ऐड करो 10 एडिशन 10 एडिशन
yes ma'am grateful ma'am
next
item 45
I am appealing to Union Mr. Rawat, Senior Counsel, is appearing with petition. He had to file the rejoinder time.
କେତେ 2000 ମସିହାର 2000 କାଉଣ୍ଟର ରିଜନର କରୁଛନ୍ତି 2000 ର କେସ୍ ଟା ଏଟା who is for the petitioner
Mr. John Ratha Senior Counsel.
କେବେ ସବୁବେଳେ ଖାଲି ଟାଇମ ନିଆଯାଇଛି every time ଟାଇମ ନିଆଯାଇଛି as a last chance the petitioner is given a last chance to appear in the matter failing which this court will be constrained to dismiss the matter ଏତେ ଥର ଖାଲି ଟାଇମ ନିଆଯାଇଛି next
Item number 46. Last order. On 10/11/22, this Honorable Court, another writ is pending. That is WPC number 2417 of 2017. This Honorable Court directed to list along with that. This not that here the trade for regularization. In the meantime, he was disengaged from service and that it has been filed.
ଆଉ କଣଟା ଅଛି ସବୁ ତ ସରିଗଲାଣି ଆଉ କଣ
That writ has been filed.
anything survives
Here regularization, their disengagement has been challenged. So Your Lordship, that 2417 of 2017 will.
Let the matter be taken along with 2417 of
17.
2017. Please the matter on 7th February. Next.
47.
47. 47. এটা কেবল 2002 ର ঠিক নাই it seems that the matter would a chance there non appears for the petitioner as a last chance the petitioner is directed to appear in the matter petitioner or petitioner counsel to appear in the matter list the matter on 12 कर दे 12 प्रयास next
Item 48.
Infructuous.
Infructuous. What is your name?
Lopamudra Pradhan.
Lopamudra Pradhan. That the matter is rendered infructuous. This was next.
Item 49.
49
is also infructuous.
Same order. Next. 50. 50. State submitted. State 50.
50.
My lord, I'll take instruction whether petition number 1A who's in survive or not, let it come 1 week after. Date may be fixed.
Okay, land comes with the petitions. Takes 1 week time to take instruction. 24.
I am for the opposite party.
Okay. Next.
51.
This matter had come up last Thursday. Lordship had directed me to
My lord, yes, ma'am. My senior name merit recorded and as per I will take instruction from OSRT Corporation to file my power.
ये दौड़े पुराना matter वाला कहीं ये तो delay कर
Just one next week.
I am appearing for the OSRT. My lord, we have solved the problem only 7 days.
Okay,
Only 7
OSRTC, Mr. Pradhan. 6 1 week time to take instruction list matter 8th February. Next.
My lord,
52.
52.
I am for the opposite party.
Who is for the petitioner?
Patnaik was appearing, but last time I called him, he said that client has taken his petition.
Huh?
So counsel is saying that it is transferred.
Okay. Non appears for the petitioner is the last chance. Let the matter be listed on 12th. 12 dash.
Not opposite party.
No. Next.
53.
53. 53. 2004 matter. Mahandiki. Say same कर दियो. Non appears for the petitioner. This the matter is the last chance. The petitioner is granted 1 week. The petitioner is granted an opportunity to appear in the matter. This the matter on 12. Next.
54.
May I please,
Lordship. In this case, my lord, though notice was sufficient, but still also they have not filed counter. Thereafter, my lord was pleased to again issue notice. And notice, after notice also no count has.
Anything survives in the matter? 2004 matter?
Recovery from suspension and some amount of salary.
are the recovery from suspension which is subject matter of disciplinary proceeding. Only some amount of salary.
You have taken any section?
Orissa State Cooperative
Second time notice also has gone.
Corporation Melo.
Corporation. Ki hai si? Ki hai si?
State cooperative रे की आसे.
So corporation अच्छी की नहीं मुझे जानने.
Achi. It is there and their office have been shifted and I have been noticed the new address.
क्या करें? 2004
And in order to for completion
ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ
of
କାମ କରନ୍ତୁ ଯେ council ଅଛି ତାକୁ ଗୋଟେ intimate କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ. And council the state is directed to intimate the council for the Orissa State Cooperative
ଗୋଟେ ତ sole opposite party.
Cooperative Bank.
Cooperative this is Orissa State Cooperative Handicraft Corporation.
Cooperative Handicraft Corporation. Okay, ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ intimate କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ. Okay, release the matter on February 15. Next.
55.
55.
Opposite party.
Lordship on behalf of Mr. Patnaik.
ଆଉ Mr. ପଟ୍ଟନାୟକ Mr. ମିଶ୍ର ଚଳିବନି ଆଉ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରନ୍ତୁ ନହେଲେ ଡିସମିସ୍ କରିଦେବି ହଁ ଆରେ ନେଇଯ ଫାଇଲ ଦେଇଦିଅ ଫାଇଲ ଦିଅ ଓକେ 12 ଲଗେଇଦ 12 ତାରିଖ ନଥିଲେ ଫାଇଲ ନେଇଯିବା ଫଟୋ କପି କରିଦେବେ ତାଙ୍କର ନେଇଯା ଫାଇଲ next
56 no extraction.
No extraction.
No extraction. Observe if cause and survive.
Next.
57.
57. 57.
Last time also nobody.
Non appears. Last time be. Non appears for the petitioner. It seems that last time I'm order. It's এটা নাহি তাই স্ক্যান হয়নি though on the last occasion on 4/1/2024 the petitioner was given opportunity to be present in the court. None appears for the petitioner. Accordingly dismissed for non-persecution. However, the next
Item 58.
58.
58 I'm for the petition, but we have given the consent, my lord.
Consent for what?
The other counsel engaged, my lord. I have no.
Who is the other counsel?
Satyabrata Mande and associate and appear previously, but subsequently.
The counsel of the petitioner has
The record, I see the record.
that the petitioner has already taken consent from me and some other counsel is appearing. The registry to verify and list the matter. Next.
59.
59 no extraction.
59 no extraction. Next.
Item number 60.
60. 60.
I'm for the opposite party, my lordship.
Opposite party. Who is for the petitioner? None appears for the petitioner. As a last chance, the petitioner is granted one opportunity to be present in the appear in the matter, failing which. Next.
Last of
Next.
61.
My lord, may can you taken up after lunch?
61. 61.
The order passed by the appellate authority confirming the order passed by the disciplinary authority imposing the major penalty 2,993 and 25 paisa and he is warned for future
23 paisa ପାଇଁ ଆମର ଅସୁବିଧା ହଉଛି ଆଉ 23 paisa.
One increment is stopped with a cumulative effect for which no
which for the OFDC ଆପଣ
with the opposite party.
you are arguing? Arguing or sleeping partner? Okay. Huh? ଆପଣଙ୍କ junior?
Mr. Mahanti was my junior, he was handling this case.
Okay. So let him argue. You promote your junior, that's good thing. Yes. What do you say? Not prepared? काली कर दीजिए ना काली प्रिपेयर कैसे
मतलब day after
tomorrow
day after
okay day after tomorrow ठीक है next
62
none इधर कौन सी देखो इधर कौन खाली था
Adjournment non appearance same.
क्या भाई हमने कर
ना वो पत्र फर्स्ट है
ओके ये 12 कर दे 12 कर दे लेकिन नॉन additional the last chance to assure on search next
63
Last occasion also on 2nd of this month, nobody has appeared. Second of January.
Next
64
My lord, in that case, the counter they have not filed.
Sorry?
This is counter they have not filed.
Counter?
हाँ, my lord,
केते counter agenda कर 2006 रे दौड़ी बा
my lord, से गौरी.
कौन अच्छी किसी केस रे नलो कौन तो dismiss कर दो
No, my lord.
not dispose of
This is the case of disengagement of DLR employee.
huh
DLR employee. And the fact that he was working in the income tax department since 2002. And since 2000 up to 2004, he has worked there as a DLR basis and discharging the duty of a regular employee. Thereafter, they made a representation to the central government for regulation of their service. So that is the reason why they.
आपण टे धीरे धीरे करो एंदी ट्रेन भलिया पड़ला केंदी
आज्ञा गोटा ऑर्डर अछि
कोडा
ए गोटा
we check it Mr. Misra whether the similar reporting people have been engaged or not engaged let's see ते लोगडा बेबे चाकरी अछि ना डीजे हेला
नहीं चाकरी 2000
रिटायर कर सेरानी
नहीं रिटायर करनी
अछि still continuing
नहीं he has been disengaged
oh
but
sorry
किंतु तार एज अछि
बाकी माने सब
Union of India is the party, my lord.
oh sorry
Because it is from income tax department.
the Union of India को कर दो Mr. give a copy Mr. यहाँ को दे दिया पारी को Learned counsel for the petitioner to serve a copy on Mr. P.K. Pari, learned DVC. List the matter on.
P.K. Pari and Mr. T.K. Satpathy, my lord. Who is appearing for the income tax department.
But a copy de diyantu.
आया
अब केवे देते हुए तांबा ना तो यहाँ को दे दियंतु old matter ना fresh को दे दियंतु
my lord in course of the day
not during the course of the day next list the matter on क्या करती 7th February 7th February 7th February sir next
65
Your Lordship, on behalf of Amrit Mishra, seek 2 weeks time to file rejoinder.
2006 रे मटर केते रिजनर काउंटर करछन
Your Lordship, it has been listed after a very long time.
जा फाइल करबी ना अपन बसती
Will certainly do, sir.
Appearing on behalf of opposite party number 1, OSIC Corporation.
अच्छा
Appearing for the first time. So that they, if they will.
you want to file counter you have
already filed counter in the
OSIC कोन
Orissa Small Industries Corporation.
Small Industries जिंदा है
Your Lordship, I
जिंदा है sir. जिंदा है.
44.
जिंदा है sir. It is a profit making organization.
ट्रायल वाले के प्रॉफिट देखो ना
अच्छा देखेबा
क्या पूर्वरु बेटा आइतिला
On 44, your lordship has directed the MD to appear on.
हां एमडी को अपियर करे देखिली आपण के देखा नहीं
सर कोई ऑर्डर तो नहीं मिला हमको इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं मिला अच्छा ठीक है तो अभी दिया है तो
do one thing ऑर्डर चेंज कर दो आपण अपियर करिवे से
ओके ओके
कितने नंबर आइटम
44 item number 44
item 44 what is your name
no sir not my name exactly sir my sir is paneled I am not
ये अपना सार का नाम
राकेश साहू
हां
राकेश साहू
राकेश साहू सर तो देखा जाओ ना केबे आपण से he has already filed the counter affidavit. से आराधना में लिखी देता है से आराधना से अपन ना से लिखी दूँ से आरा आइटम के तेला
44.
44 है सिंधु तगना से काट दो एमडी पर से काट दो हाँ on behalf of Mr.
Rakesh Sahu.
Rakesh Sahu लिख दो हाँ next time राशि भी हला
Sir, every time we are appearing in every cases.
matter से डेट इधर भी लगे दे सेम डेट लगे दे
7.
क्या वाला
7th.
7 इधर भी 7 हाँ 7
66.
66 66
Lord, on behalf of Mr. SS Das, we have no instruction regarding this case.
no instruction ठीक है council petition submitted doesn't have any instruction if for the submitted that's what best of it not been able to get in contact with the information this is the petition not interested to pursue the next
67.
67 67
What the opposite party?
opposite party
OP2.
ଆପଣଙ୍କର opposite party କୁଆଡେ ଗଲେ
I am for OP2.
now the press for the petition of last chance 12 December 12 next
68.
68 68 very good on the press 12 तक दे दिया next 69
69.
Matters.
what's the matter
But the petitioner was an employee of Bhaskar Textile Mill, my lord.
भास्कर textile mill
Textile mill, my lord.
अच्छी है ना अभी कोड पड़ेगा living or dead
long since.
Closed, my lord.
माने अबे तर्पण
But he was exercised option that was accepted after 2 years. But that period,
अबे कौन पे एक्शन दे अपन
that dues has not been paid. In identical case,
ये तो की
Justice
टेक ओवर करने
Patnaik has disposed of, my lord.
की टेक ओवर करने गला
Take over by the, my lord.
कौन डिस्पोज भीतर देखली ऑर्डर टा कौन
Odisha State Textile Corporation Limited.
केटा भी तो नथिबो आ कोन अछि कि टेक्सटाइल रे किसी नाही आउ
All कोटा के disposal भी एटा उड रही है
ऑर्डर टा देखले दिया ऑर्डर दिया कौन है ऑर्डर टा
In this case, I have also filed additional affidavit. The MD has calculated the amount and submitted for payment.
एटा से कहा को देबे एमडी टा की हेबे एमडी टा की सर
My lord.
ओडिशा टेक्सटाइल मिल एमडी टा की है
MD OSTC Limited, BTM Jharsuguda.
हां
MD OSTC Limited, BTM
से
Jharsuguda.
ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अछि कि ना देखो एंड खाली ऑर्डर टा पास कर दे जीव हवारे
आज्ञा.
ना हवारे जीव ऑर्डर टा से ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अछि ना नहीं देखंतु एडा भी जाना नहीं आपको
That should be handsome time. I will take instruction.
it takes time for instruction
That also take instruction.
petition आपण देखो to take instruction regarding the existence of the Orissa State Textile Corporation Limited बंची छी ना मु जानी नहीं आपण कहबे Land Council State also to take instruction regarding
At that time, the MD has calculated the amount submitted before the
ठीक है
government for payment.
ठीक
That
है
is, I have
ऑर्डर
filed.
पास से हवारे जागिर एंड पड़ी देले आबो कोन ए ऑर्डर इंप्लीमेंट ही छी
आज्ञा.
केमती जानले आपण खाली ऑर्डर टा देखि आज्ञा कर देले ही जो इंप्लीमेंट पैसे पोलो को पैसा पाइछि खाली ଗୋଟେ फॉर्मालिटी फिल अप कर देला हो ना से फॉर्मालिटी शुड रीच लॉजिकल कंक्लूजन ना दे आप टाइम ना दो आपण बुझे बुझी के सुन होला नेक्स्ट गिव मी शॉर्ट डेट 24th ना और दरकार मार्च दे दिछि मार्च मास जा बुझंतु
Let's say keep it February, second week February.
ठीक है 8 फरवरी को दो 8 फरवरी Okay, next.
70.
70.
Please, ma'am.
এটা কোন?
Recovery of 66,666.
আপন for the petitioner.
I am for the petitioner. And the petitioner was serving as the branch manager MCC Bank, Moirganj. And it was directed that 2,600 is to be recovered from his salary for the entire sum of rupees 66,666. And this honorable court passed an interim order saying instead of paying 2,600 rupees per month, you pay 1,000 won't be depositing. Well, the petitioner might have retired by now. So may I be allowed to take instruction whether the amount has been repaid in the
Okay, Lal Council to this petitioner to take instruction as to whether the petitioner is still working or is retired. It's on 2nd February.
Obliged.
Next.
71.
71 है तो 71 start करिए.
Have deducted the tax and they have deducted that amount, probably that has been directed for refund. That is only for that consideration. Yes.
Let's do one thing.
Yes.
Both review and this will, let's say.
To be listed together.
Not it is already numbered.
My lord.
Review has been numbered.
Review has been numbered, my lord.
Okay. Tomorrow.
Yes.
Lots of
Both review and your both will be.
In fact, I have gone through the review petition. Nowhere they have said
Anyway,
that.
whatever that.
My
We'll
lord.
see that.
Lordship,
And the second matter, no review petition has been filed.
No, that is only I will take instruction on this. Both cases come together. My lord may be taken up on Friday. I have some.
Friday, bharosa nahi.
Day after tomorrow.
No, next week on Tuesday. Lordship, on that day, Lordship, this is the only point. Lordship may. No, I have some difficulty. My lord,
you are not there.
Yes.
So, Mr. Rai, I think don't have any problem.
No,
my lord, my senior is here.
9th. Sorry, I'm so sorry. 16th.
16th.
Let's see. Fix it in 16th.
Yes.
That's the matter. Along with the review number.
Yes, my lord, I am giving.
16 at 2 p.m.
That is the review petition number 495 of 2020. I am giving.
Confusion.
I have already solved copy to my lord senior.
We have another copy.
I have solved copy to my lord senior already.
Copies. You
I'll give a copy.
I would a copy.
Yes, copy of the review petition be served on
already solved one copy, another copy.
Another copy.
Only one copy was already.
This is the matter. 16th at 2 p.m.
Well,
at 2 p.m. Obliged.
Obliged.
Why? It should be exclusive.
With permission, my lord, my morning one council made a submission that one matter was disposed of on the basis of the OTS letter issued by the bank. But the fact remains, the bank has also been released the title deed document on dated 24/11/2023, my lord.
But the other council is not there again. You have to confront him, na? Confronting me doesn't serve the purpose. Confront him so that the facts can be recorded. Kali list कर दो जी, है ना? Kali list कर दो, let it be solved. कौन है कि देखिए, है ना? आराम की अच्छी। हाँ ठीक है, अपना तक इन्फॉर्म कर दो।
हाँ, फोन कर दूँगा।
Next.
Passed over matter, item number 10.
10.
Wait, please, my lords. My lords, I'm appearing virtually.
Yes, 10.
My lords, we have prepared a short note. My learned friend will has passed
Very
it on.
good. Yes.
My lords, the
So,
short
dispute between the owner and the present petitioner. The non-completion of flats within time.
Yes, my lords.
The said issue was ushered before the learned consumer forum in complaint case, which has been filed by the respective flat owners and the learned consumer forum after hearing both the parties. On 8/1/2020, directed the present petitioner to complete the flats, reimburse the receipt amount with 12%. Complete the flat or
No, my lords. They said that complete the flat and give the compensation at the rate of 12% interest for the money they have deposited with us, my lords.
Oh, mane flat timely they nahi 12% apna debe akona.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
That is because of that. This is penal interest.
Yes, my lord. Penal interest.
So 12 unpaid rent of 2000 from detailed source. So this is your grievance.
My lords, what had happened is after that we offered them
Then
the
you
flat.
completed the flat, but the respective flat owners, including the present opposition party, were unconcerned about taking possession of their. So you have completed, but they didn't take possession.
No, my lords, they did not want the flat. They said we give us the compensation.
Who are the? Let's issue notice then. You have to see that.
Yes, my lords. My lords may issue notice. No.
I have issued notice.
No, my lords. This is a fresh
First
matter
time,
today.
na? First time.
Yes, ma'am.
Let notice be issued. Facts are like
My lords, in the meantime, I stay the.
notice.
My lords, in the
issued to the opposite parties by registered post.
Yes, my lord.
Registered post also list the matter on.
My lords, as my lord feels convenient.
So I'm fixing it on 7th February.
My lords may then at least stay the execution proceedings because or else
That
they
I'll do
will-
that. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Then my lords may list it on 7th February.
Okay, 7th February. Where is the order? Execution order. I.
Yes, my lords.
In the meantime, there shall be a stay of the EA number 22 of 2021 till the disposal of the present writ petition. Pending before that, so and so pending before the State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. Till the disposal of the case.
My lord,
Okay.
all the matters are similar, my lord, except for the EA numbers are different.
You are for?
My lord, same item number, my lord.
For the builder.
Yes, my lord. My lord, may kindly see there are 14, 15 matters in the same item number 10.
Okay.
All are same, my lord, same cause of action, only the EA case is different, my lord.
ठीक है.
Prayer, my lord.
Case to case
All the
ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରିବ ସବୁକୁ ଇଏ କରିକି ଖାଲି ଫାଇନାଲି ଯୋଉ ନମ୍ବର ଗୋଟେ ଇଏରେ
common order, my lord, may kindly also say, my lord, execution case is stayed.
खाली only execution
Yes, sir.
learn concept
Lordship.
notice issue execution ହେଲା
Gratefully, lord.
Highly obliged, my lords. Highly obliged.
next
Item 15.
15
Yes, he had taken time. The bank had taken time. It's a case, my lord. After death of the petitioner's brother, they have submitted the legal certificate, affidavit, and the account now, Xerox copy of account now of the State Bank of India. But the bank has taken a view that the Shankara Charana Mahanti and the Shankara Mahanti are not same person. By mistake, in the death certificate, it is mentioned as Shankara Mahanti. But in the legal certificate, it is Shankar Charan Mahanti. Affidavit, I have clarified that Shankar Mahanti and Shankar Charan are the same, and his father is also Nishakar Mahanti.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ରେ ନାଁ କଣ ନାଁରେ ଅଛି
Shankar Charan Mahanti.
ସବୁଥିରେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଖାଲି ଏକ୍ସେପ୍ଟ ଡେଥ୍ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ବାକି ସବୁଥିରେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା 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 ମୁଁ affidavit ରେ ମଧ୍ୟ କ୍ଲିୟର କରିଛି
କାହିଁ ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ ଜିନିଷରେ କାହିଁ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
ଛୋଟ ଜିନିଷ ନୁହେଁ ଆଉ ଜଣେ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିଛନ୍ତି କ୍ଲେମ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି ସି ଇଜ ଦ ଲିଗାଲ ହେୟାର ଓନଲି ସୋଲ ଲିଗାଲ ହେୟାର ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ ଦ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ
ଏମାନେ କିଏ
ସିଏ ବି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଲିଗାଲ ହେୟାର ଇଏ ବି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଲିଗାଲ ହେୟାର
ନାଇଁ କେମିତି ରିଲେଟେଡ
କେମିତି ରିଲେଟେଡ
ଆପଣ କେମିତି ରିଲେଟେଡ ସାର୍
ତହସିଲ ତ ଲିଗାଲ ହେୟାର ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଦେଇଛି
ଡିସିଜ ରେ ଆପଣ କଣ ହେଲା
ସିଷ୍ଟର
ଆଉ
ଇଏ ବି ସିଷ୍ଟର
ଇଏ ବି ସିଷ୍ଟର
ମୁଁ ଆଧାର କାର୍ଡ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଗୋଟେ
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆଧାର କାର୍ଡ
ନା ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ସେଟା ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି
କୁହନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଆଧାର ବାପା ଛୁଆ ଆଧାର କାର୍ଡ ଆଜିକାଲି କେତେ ଫେକ୍ ବାହାରୁଛି ଆଧାର କାର୍ଡ ଆରଟିଆଇ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ଆଜିକାଲି କୋई ଭରସା ନାହିଁ ବହୁତ ଆର୍ ଫେକ୍ ମୋଷ୍ଟ ଅଫ ଦ ଟାଇମ ଆଧାର କାର୍ଡ ଏମିତି ଆପଣ ତିନିଟା ମୁଁ ଦେଇଦେବି 2 ମିନିଟରେ କେତେ ଲୋକ ଅଛନ୍ତି କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ କରିଦେବି ଆପଣ କେତେ ଆଧାର କାର୍ଡ
ମୋର ତ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଗୋଟିଏ ହଉନି ମୁଁ କଟକ ବାହାରେ ଯାଇକି
ଆପଣ କେତେ ଫେକ୍ ଟା ନେବେ ବୋଲେ ବହୁତ ଜଲ୍ଦି ମିଳିବ
ନା, ମୋର fake
ଅରିଜିନାଲ ଟା
ଦରକାର।
ଟାଇମ ଟେକିଂ
ଫେକ୍ ଦରକାର
ସିନା ଆଧାର କାର୍ଡରେ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁନି ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ସେଇଂ ହାଉ ଆର୍ ୟୁ ରିଲେଟେଡ
ସିଷ୍ଟର
ସିଷ୍ଟର
Yes.
ନିଜ ସିଷ୍ଟର
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ନିଜ ନା ଏମିତି
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ନିଜ ନିଜ
କଜିନ
ମୁଁ ଦେଖୁନ ସେ ଆଧାର
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆଧାର
ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଫାଦର ନେମ୍ ଇଜ ନିଶାକର ମହାନ୍ତି
ହଁ
ଇଲିଗାଲ ଏୟାର ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଫାଦର ନେମ୍ ଏ ଯୋଉ ଆର ଲୋକର ଆର ଲୋକ ସରି ସେ କି ମହାନ୍ତି ନିଶାକର ନିଶାଚର କହିଲେ ଡେଥ सर्टिफिकेट ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ନା
ଡେଥ୍ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ୍ ଅଛି
ହଁ ନିଶାକର ମହାନ୍ତି
ନିଶାକର ମହାନ୍ତି
ଏବେ ନିଶାକର ମହାନ୍ତି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ତ ଫିର ସେ ଭଉଣୀ ହେଲା
This is the application and the death certificate, legal year certificate.
ଭଲ
Both are applied.
କେତେଟା ଭଉଣୀ ତାର ଥିଲା
Both are.
ତିନିଟା ଲିଗାଲ ଏୟାର ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଦେଇଛି ପେଜ 15 ରେ
ଏ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ତିନିଟା ଭଉଣୀ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ସେ ଗୋଟେ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ସିଏ ଆଉ କିଏ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଭାରତୀ
ମୁଁ ଯାଇକିରି କଣ ରିଟ୍ କୋର୍ଟ ଯାଇକି ଲେନ୍ସ ଲଗେଇକି ଖୋଜିବ କିଏ ତାର ଭଉଣୀ ବୋଲି
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ପିଟିସନ
ଟୁ ମଚ୍
ଆମେ ଜାଣିନୁ ଆଉ କିଏ ଆମେ ତ ଜାଣିଛୁ ତିନିଟା ଭଉଣୀ
ଆଉ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ବାଲା କେମିତି ଜାଣିବ
apply କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ
ଆପଣ ସେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ବାଲା ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଇକି ଦେବ ନା ଦେଖିଲି ଏଇଟା ସେ ଆର ଲୋକଟା
ହଁ ସେ କହୁଛି ସୋଲ legal year
କିଏ ଇଏ ସୋଲ କହୁଛି
death certificate ବି ଆଚ୍ଛା legal year certificate
ଲିଗାଲ
ନମିନି କା ନାଁରେ ଅଛି ନମିନି ଅଛି
ସବୁ ନବାକୁ ଡିଟେଲ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଦେବାକୁ ପଡିବ ଡିଟେଲ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଦେବାକୁ ପଡିବ
ଲେଟ୍ ହିମ୍ ଗେଟ୍ ଦ ନମିନି ସେ ନମିନି ଦେଖିବା କିଏ ଅଛି
yes
ନିଶାକର ମହାନ୍ତି ଲେଖା ହେଇଯିବ କି କଣ କରିବା ଏବେ ସିଷ୍ଟର ଲେଖୁଛି
ହଁ ସିଷ୍ଟର
ୟା ନା ଯଶୋବନ୍ତୀ ଦେଇ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁ କି
ଜମ୍ବବତୀ ନା
ଭାରତୀ ପାର୍ବତୀ ପ୍ରତିମା
ଆଉ ଯଶୋବନ୍ତୀ ନାଇଁ କି
ନା ଆନେଷ୍ଟର 15 ନା ପେଜ 15 ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଲିଗାଲ ଏୟାର ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ
ଫେକ୍ ସଂସାରଟା ନାଇଁ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
ଲିଗାଲ ଏୟାର ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ
this is the lump sum amount
କେତେ अमाउंट ଅଛି
about 34 lakhs
हाँ नजर सबका इसी के ऊपर
FDR गुड़े ଅଛି ଆଉ ସେଭିଂସ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ରେ ଅଳ୍ପ
ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ଗୋଟେ କଣ କଲେ ତାକୁ ରାଇଟ ଲୋକ ଆଇଡେଣ୍ଟିଫାଏ ହେବେ ତହସିଲଦାର କୁ ଦେବା ଗୋଟେ ସେ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଦେବ ହଁ ଯୋଉ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଟା ଜଣା ପଡିବ କିଏ କାହାର ଝିଅ ଗାଁକୁ
ଏଟା କଥା ମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଲିଗାଲ ଏୟାର ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ତହସିଲ କୁଜଙ୍ଗ
କୁଜଙ୍ଗ
ଯେ ତହସିଲ ଯୋଉ ଲିଗାଲ ଏୟାର ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଇସ୍ୟୁ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
let's तहसीलदार we make तहसीलदार कुजंग is party ତାକୁ ମୁଁ ଅର୍ଡର ଦେବି ଯାଇକିରି ଇନକ୍ୱାରି କରିକି ଦେବ ରିପୋର୍ଟ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆଉ କଣ କରିବା ଆଉ କିଛି ରାସ୍ତା ଅଛି ବतଲେ वही तो कह रहा हूँ जाके पूरा एक्चुअली एक रिपोर्ट बना के देगा who is let him file an application for implementing a party
तहसीलदार जम्बोवती देई both
आइली
तहसीलदार and जम्बोवती देई both
हाँ उसे तो पार्टी कर alive ना
हाँ सर अप्लाई कर
तहसीलदार and this what is name
जम्बोवती देई
जम्बोवती देई जम्बोवती देई as party अरे तहसीलदार जम्बोवती देई जगह नहीं तहसीलदार
शब्द से जम्बोवती देई has to be provided by the bank
हाँ अपन दे देवे and the bank shall provide the address of said जम्बोवती इटा पण इटा ଗୋଟେ ଦେଲା ଏଟା କଣ marital status ये देला भारती गच्छात पार्वती पसात प्रतिभा
से तो मैरिड पर्सन समस्त
बुझिली जे तीनटा देला से आउडे से जम्बोवती टा कोडी तर फिट कोडी होची वेरी सी फिटिंग
से भी अप्लाई कर
बट से भी तो बत्ती गुटे अछि ना लास्ट को बत्ती बत्ती ती होची ए हेती बबी नाटा जन लेन जानती ना भारती प्रभाती जम्बोवती आसुची
ये जम्बोवती एल्डर
लाइन रे पडुची
एल्डेस्ट वन
एल्डेस्ट वन
ठीक है जम्बोवती आपण दे देबे एड्रेस टा
हम दे देबी बोथ
पार्टी लिस्ट द मैटर 2nd February next
item 20
20 Yes. କଣ କେସଟା ସାର୍?
Petition under section 401 CRPC. This is a domestic violence was filed by the respondent in the name of.
ଆପଣ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆସିଲେ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟ୍ ଆସନ୍ତୁ ପଏଣ୍ଟ କୁ ଆଇତେ ଗପ କାଇଁ ଶୁଣୁଛନ୍ତି?
Challenging
Why are you here?
challenging the appellate court's order.
Appellate court order କଣ?
Appellate court had directed to pay monthly maintenance of
ଏଇ ତ କଥା
rupees 4,000.
କହୁଛନ୍ତି କଣ ପାଇଁ ପିଲା? You are challenging the maintenance amount କେତେ ଦେଇଥିଲା?
4,000.
4,000. ଆପଣ କଣ କରନ୍ତି?
SIPOE, OSFE. Now, at that time, he's getting 27,000. Now he's getting 41,000 something.
ଆପଣ ଝିଅ ପାଇଁ
Male.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ମାନେ ସବମିଶନ ଜଣା ପଡୁଛି ଝିଅ ପାଇଁ। So you are now getting, he is now getting 41,000.
41,000.
The order they देला
4,000 interim.
Interim.
4,000. 4,000. So ଆପଣଙ୍କ ବଢେଇବାକୁ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି।
No. That in the present situation, ସେ ଲେଡି କଣ କରିଛି ନା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାରେ ସେଠି ତାକୁ ମ୍ୟାରେଜ କରିବ ବୋଲି କହି ସେଠି ତା ସହିତ ଇଲିଗାଲ ସମ୍ପର୍କ ରଖି ତା ନାଁରେ ଗୋଟେ 376 ଟ୍ରାଏଲ କୋର୍ଟ ଯୋଉଟା ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଇଥିଲେ ତ ରିଜେକ୍ଟ କରିଥିଲେ ତାଙ୍କ ଅର୍ଡର and appellate court passed the
ଆପଣ
order.
still legally married by 4,000 ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। ଆଉ କିଛି ହବନି 4,000 ଦେବେ। ଆପଣ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ
ମାନେ ଦେଇ ଚାଲିଛି
ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ନା ଲୋକ ନା ଅଲଗା ଲୋକର ମୁଣ୍ଡ ପୁରେଇବାରେ ବେଶୀ ଚିନ୍ତା ନାହିଁ। ଛାଡ ସିଏ ଗଲା ସେ କାହା ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଗଲା ସେ କୋଉଠି ଗଲା ଆଉ ସେଥିରେ ମୁଣ୍ଡ ଖେଳିବ। କୋର୍ଟକୁ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର the petitioner has filed the present criminal revision, taking a direction under the section to set aside the impugned order passed by the Lanark for additional session judge Nimapada in criminal appeal number 7 of 2017, rejecting the order of Lanark trial court, Lanark JMFC Nimapada under section 23 of PWDV Act, and directing the present petitioner to pay sum of rupees 4,000 per month from the date of application payable before 10th of each succeeding month. The area amount shall be paid in. And concept of the you are for the respondent. Respondent submit that she is regularly getting the receiving the maintenance amount, interim maintenance amount. So, concept ଆପଣ ମାନେ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଏଟାକୁ କଣ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କରୁଛନ୍ତି? ଆପଣ କମ ହେବା କଥା
ନା ଖାଲି ଷ୍ଟେ ପାଇଁ କହି ମାନେ
ସେ କଣ ପାଇଁ
ଯେହେତୁ
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଦି କାନ୍ ଷ୍ଟେ ଆମର ପ୍ରେୟାରରେ କଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଦେଖେ
ସେଟା ସାଇଡ ଦ ଅର୍ଡର ଅଫ ଦ appellate court.
ସେଟା ସାଇଡ
ସେଟା ସାଇଡ ଦ ଅର୍ଡର ଅଫ appellate court.
This court doesn't find any merit in modifying or setting aside the order passed by the learned additional session judge Nimapada. Order dated 9/5/2018. Hello. Dismissed. Is it 9 merit?
Actually, she has a.
No, you have filed a counter.
Patna ekta? You have idea or don't have idea? वकालत ना पर फाइल करछथि
appearance file करछथि
देखो
appearance এটা काउंटर फाइल करछथि हां
I don't have that much information.
You have no information.
It's a file करथिले predecessor must have filed.
से आई दे yes predecessor टा के थिले एडवोकेट
Patna
the brief has been transferred to you then say he is right. Say what do you want?
My copy has to be served. My senior just instruct me to copy to serve.
Copy दे दे तो पुराना केस परा
petition.
हां copy दे दे copy से
Okay. So I had filed a substitution application bearing IR number 14704 of 23. It has not been
okay. And consider the petition submit that. he has filed a substitution application bearing number
14704.
MC number 147 IA number 1470
704 of 23.
704
Four.
up to 723. Let that IA be taken along with the petition. And what is your name?
Sonali Prusti.
Sonali Pusti. Counsel for the opposite party. Opposite party? Sonali Pusti. Submits that. She wants to seek some instruction. Is the matter pertinent to the rule pertinent to the year 2006.
Phone number.
So, copy টা দিয়ে দেন তো? এটা দিয়ে দেন তো আপনাদের This the matter on sixth.
Yes, sir.
Six, no problem. Six. So, copy number नहीं जानते. Don't take further time. It is 2006 matter. Next day I'll finish it. Okay. Next.
72.
72.
I'm for the opposite parties on the last.
Which for the petitioner?
72, my lord. The conducting lawyer has already left this
that is
profession,
why-
and my name also is reflected in the.
70.
I will take instruction from Mr. Mishra.
74 है ना?
72.
72.
हाँ. कौन है ला?
I may take instruction from Mr. Mishra, who is the conducting lawyer in this case.
अपन ना थी.
My power is, I am assisting in the year 2006. For that reason, my name
Last
was
two occasions also
reflected.
he was not there.
Okay, non-present for the petitioner. But assist करते हैं तो कौन करते हैं? Non-present for the petitioner.
I will take instruction.
List the matter on 16th.
My power.
16th रे नॉइले सावन power थी वो.
My
73. 73. क्या कौन है? Non-APS 12 लगा. Next.
74.
74 my lord, paper 2 stream. File has been misplaced my lord. On behalf of Mr. Das my lord. File misplaced.
Mr. Das, Mr. पंडा जहाँ छाड़ा दो. मो गया कथा है ला. इटे 2007 matter अपना time मांगन तो नहीं. Please.
File misplaced is next week.
File ले जाए तो हम इटू.
Retired much. 54 was his age when he filed the writ petition. Has any claim he can
Next week only. Next week.
Check from the client if he has anything to do with. Otherwise, why unnecessarily be kept pending? Dismiss कर दो. Allah.
Paper next week my lord. Next week.
Next week चलेगा. 18th. 18th. Next.
liberty to dispose of company then जल्दी next week रहे. So
एक तो देखे जब किसी थी let them take it काले किसी थी वो हम जानते हैं. Next.
75.
75.
Your lordship, according to the instructions received, the petitioner has expired in meanwhile, so the matter may be disposed of.
Expired. तो LR का क्या ऐसे नहीं? किन जान ले अब?
Sir, I have received the instruction to dispose.
So they don't want to pursue the matter. क्या ना? What is your name?
Chinmay Nayak.
Chinmay Nayak. The land counsel for the petitioner, Ms. Chinmay Nayak, submits that since the petitioner has expired, his family member doesn't want to pursue.
No.
लिख दे भी. Okay. His family member. This is LR. I'm not interested to pursue the matter. And the petition may be disposed of. However, if any of the legal heir of the petitioner wants to pursue the matter, they are granted liberty to file a restoration application within 30 days from today. Next.
76.
Pardon, my lord, I am on virtual mode, my lord. My lord, this matter become infructuous, my lord.
Okay. What is your name?
Prabhat Lenka, my lord. Prabhat Lenka.
Lenka.
My lord.
ना अच्छी है. अच्छा, P Lenka अच्छी ना अच्छी. The Lord Counsel for the petitioner, Mr. P Lenka, submits that the matter has become infructuous. They want to pursue the matter.
Oblige, my
lord. Next.
77.
77. 27 केना दे non-appeals for the petitioner. List the matter on 16th. Last time. Target भी नहीं. हाँ से आएगा से कितने wait करेगा? इतना time लगता. Next.
Item 78.
78. 78. अपना चले. Next. 78 केना दे? এটা কোন यार ফেটটা কোন 2008 মিটার for the non-appears for the petitioner. The petitioner is granted a chance to appear in the matter on 16th. Next.
79.
79, my lord, I pray your lordship may take up this matter, 16th or 18th, whatever it may. Why I am saying so, my lord, although my name appears in the cause list as the advocate for the petitioner, as a matter of fact, Mr. C. Mahato was associated with me in 2008. This is his case. I will have to inform him.
My lord, with the petitioner, Mr. Shall submit that. He will intimate the concerned lawyer, concerned advocate. List the 70. Yes.
Item 81.
81.
Item 81 on behalf of the petitioner, my lord. Here, your lordship on it is similar to item 70, my lord. Your lordship had been pleased to adjourn the matter to 2 weeks after. My lord, here we have to take instruction. We had challenged the recovery of amount. Now, in the meantime, the petitioner has retired. I have to seek instructions, my lord.
Okay.
I pray for some.
Okay. Lord cancel the petition 6, 1 week time to get instruction. List the matter on 22nd.
My lord, may I pray the same day 70 is posted to if your lordship gives us
17.
70s.
Item
Item 70
70.
the same matter, similar matter.
Who did that?
2nd of February.
2nd of February.
Again.
2nd of February.
Obliged.
Next.
Item 82.
82.
Your lordship, it is a termination matter and we haven't received the counter from the state.
Termination matter. Have you filed the counter?
Sir, as an interim measure, this honorable court had directed not to terminate.
File collegi.
I'll take instruction. I don't have the brief right now.
Let him take 1 week time is granted to counsel of the state to take instruction in the matter. Next.
Oblige, your lordship.
List the matter on 6th February. Next.
83.
83.
83, my lord. The petitioner's land was acquired by the Raurkela Steel Plant for construction of the Mondia Dam project and Raurkela Steel Plant mine.
Sir, land acquisition matter is not.
No, my lord, I am coming, my lord. I'm coming.
Land acquisition matter.
Land action, the land action matter, land action acquired by Raurkela Steel Plant for construction of steel plant and Mondia Dam project. And the petitioner family was a LDP person, land displaced persons, and the certificate is issued in favor of.
Sir, please take a kotha mantri dayagri job alga ki nigala. That is also to be.
The certificate next is chakri kor
Oh, hella, that has to be redressed by that bench dealing with the land acquisition. Okay. Next.
84.
My lord, in this case, I am for the opposite party number 4. Opposite party bank man. Bank. Yes.
My lord, I am for
bank. Yes.
I am for the petitioner. I may be permitted to withdraw as not pressed.
Okay.
And with an observation, may I pray, my lord, that if any cause of action arises, the petitioner will renew his prayer. Because the prayer of the
that is already there, sir. That is already I have instructed our format.
Oblige, my lord.
My presence, my lord. Yes. Mr. Ghosh. Bank. Go bank. That without say, I don't dismiss on the first day. I always give 2 chances, then only I am dismissing. And thoda totally likhi doji masse time lose. Can't keep the matter pending for years together again. Already 16 varsa, 15 varsa, it is 4, 5, 9 case guda.
No, I am to po.
ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଚାନ୍ସ ଦଉଛି ତଥାପି କାଳେ କିଏ ଯଦି ଆସିବ ଆସିବ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆଉ ତଥାପି
ଲିବର୍ଟିଟା ରହିବ ସେ
ଲିବର୍ଟି ସବୁଥିରେ ଅଛି ସାର୍ ୱିଥଆଉଟ୍ ସେଇ ତଳେ ଲିବର୍ଟି ଥୁଆ ହେଇଛି ଏକ୍ସେପ୍ଟ ଖାଲି ଯିଏ ୱିଡ୍ର କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ସେଇଆ Not press ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ପରା
ନାଇଁ, ନାଇଁ।
liberty କେମିତି ପାଇଲେ ପୁଣି
ନାଇଁ ମୋର ପ୍ରେୟାର ହଉଛି ରିଟ୍ ପିଟିସନ ରେ ଦିଟା, ଗୋଟେ ହଉଛି ରିଇନଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ,
ସାର୍ ଏବେ ଆପଣ କଣ କହିଲେ
ମାନେ
ଆପଣ କଣ କହିଲେ
ନଟ୍ ପ୍ରେସ୍ଡ ମାଇ ଲର୍ଡ,
ନଟ୍ ପ୍ରେସ ରେ ପୁଣି ଆଉ ଲିବର୍ଟି କୋଉଠୁ ଆଇଲା
ସରି ମାଇ ଲର୍ଡ,
ନଟ୍ ପ୍ରେସ ରେ କେମିତି
ମାନେ ସରି ମାଇ ଲର୍ଡ,
ଆପଣ ଏହା କହନ୍ତୁ
Withdraw.
despite best effort I could not contact with my client ଏମିତି ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ and second it seems that the petition is not interested how ତଳେ ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଛି however he can find it
Yes,
withdraw
withdraw with liberty to renew my prayer if any cause of action arises.
Unconditionally withdrawing his liberty. He seeks unconditional withdrawal of the case with the liberty to approach afresh if any cause of action arises. Hala?
My lord.
Next.
85.
85.
Beg pardon, my lord. I beg pardon, my lord.
85.
85.
On behalf of Mr. B. Naik, my lord, matter may can be taken up 2 weeks after, as Mr. Naik is empaneled as central government counsel.
2 weeks after. Okay. Land Council for the what is your name?
Niranjan Kumar Mishra.
Okay. Land Council for the petition Niranjan Kumar Mishra submit that. Shall I send you 6 for 2 weeks time? This the matter. February 7th. Next.
86.
86. 86.
86 my lord, old matter, the file is not received my lord. Some time may be given to discussion.
কিন্তু আবার কি petitioner আবার না নাই যে আবার না কোন
Yes, Satpati.
আবার না তাই
On behalf of BK Naik.
বিকে নাই ওখানে ও লাল কাজ করে 7 8 কে 8 রে দিদি 87
Police.
87
87.
87 রে আপন অଛନ୍ତି
Well, I am appearing for OP number 2 and 3.
who is for the petitioner non appears for the petitioner list the matter on 17 कर दे Mr. Panigrahi appears senior counsel appears on behalf of the state.
I am appearing for OPTCL.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. Corporation. OPTCL.
Yes.
Next. Item 88.
OPTCL कितने number আছে 3
2 and 3.
2 and 3 yes.
Yes.
Yes, next.
Item 88.
3 and 4 my lord.
4
4 also. General Manager HRD Orissa Power Transmission Corporation.
Item 88, Your Lordship, on behalf of Mr. PK Chan, no instruction.
No instruction.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Next.
My lord, item 89, on behalf of Mr. Just one senior counsel, he is on his legs, my lord. May I request your lordship may call this matter any other day next week, my lord.
This prayer has been continued since 2019.
Your lordship,
Order has not been order has not been complied. That's why I filed this contempt petition.
The contender opposite party, Paradip Port Trust, my lord. Mr. Das is appearing.
They file false affidavit that the petition has been given regularization and all benefits.
My lord,
That's why
annex the order. Which has
just a minute, please.
I'm sorry, my lord. I'm sorry.
This honorable court by the order dated 8/7/2019.
अरे सर क्यों बात
Prepared for the file the case for regularization. This honorable director to consider the case.
So he got the compassionate appointment.
Yes.
And that was not regular post.
Regular post was there, but there he was given temporary basis. That's why she filed
Then
the
he
case here.
continued there for how many years?
How many now she has been retired since long she has been appointed and case it in 2000.
कब retired कला?
Just 1 year back. Just I am giving. Just now what I am saying, my lord, they have filed the compliance affidavit that he has given all the benefits of the regularization. I disputed the same.
Oh,
that's why your lordship as the director on 8/7/2019.
Let him take it.
My lord, we will. My lord, I am aware that what my learned senior is saying.
You understood now?
Again.
So you have given some false statement
My lord,
in your
I
affidavit.
My lord, Mr.
Therefore, I will issue contempt against your officer.
My lord.
Even if he is in Patal, I will find it.
My lord.
He is not in there, I know that. Now achieve it.
No, my lord, 2000.
ये ऑफिसर अच्छे ना नहीं तो ऑफिसर चेंज कर दो जे प्रेजेंट ऑफिसर पर ना दें
My lord, he has to.
आपण चेंज कर दो जे प्रेजेंट ऑफिसर ना दें सी लोग रिटायर्ड करी कोड थी वो
ହଁ ରିକେଶ ରାୟ କଣ ଆଉ ଅଛନ୍ତି
ଏବେ ଯିଏ ଅଛି ତା ନା ଦିଅ
Yes, sir.
present
If you will disclose, I will make it correction.
ନା
ତାଙ୍କର authority. Paradip Port chairman.
ପାରାଦୀପ ଫଟୋ କଣ ନେଟ ଖୋଲିଲେ ବାହାରିବ କି and concept of the petitioner sorry the content petitioner is directed to modify the cause title.
That's why what my submission was, this categorically held that while the what is the regular sales salary?
Sir,
that is
ତ ଆପଣ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ତ କରନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଲୋକ ତାପରେ ମୁଁ ତାଠୁ ବାହାର କରିବି କଣ ନାହିଁ କଣ ନାହିଁ
It will take on next week.
next 5th February next
Item 90.
90
90 I have taken about two times because your lordship has given me the 12th of this month, but somehow or other it is preponed and practically.
Yeah, that's why
I have intimated.
I remember.
I have
Every time she used to wait for the whole half of the day.
Yeah.
And here
My lord,
people
I have-
used to take just
Just a minute, I have told you. He has a junior. He's not.
Sir, one thing, please. Whenever you are taking time, please intimate the other side.
Yes,
I'm
yes, sir.
requesting everybody because or one should not wait here for a half day or whole day unnecessarily.
That's right.
This is
But
basic.
I'm sorry for that. But my lord, he is not available. Because
She was there throughout, sir. She was there throughout.
On that-
on
on
that
that
day,
day-
I only.
No, but just
No,
a minute.
no.
Pardon me.
No, sorry, I can't. Last chance. The
My lord, I
petitioner is
never asked for the time because of
granted. The matter is fixed on 16th, and it is made clear that no party shall take any adjournment.
Yes, sir.
The navy will cost 50,000.
No. I will not take that. I will give a short note, and in the meantime, I will get the papers.
ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে পুରୁଣା matter ନା ସାରିଲେ ନା ସାର୍ କୋର୍ସ ସରିବା ଦରକାର ଆଉ everybody is screaming and shout.
It is 16th, my lord.
ହଁ କେବେ ଦେଲି 16
This-
ଆଉ time ନେବେନି ହେଲା
16th of this month.
yes January sir.
Yes, ma'am.
If I am not saying February one, it is January.
No.
Okay,
Next, your lordship give the time to February.
No. I don't want unnecessary. Don't want.
It is regarding my lord settlement of a loan dues which is pending.
Yes, anything, any progress?
No progress. No, it was something, my lord, that CDB and ISR. Now they are trying to take over my property. The matter is pending before the recovery officer. So what I am saying, my lord, there is a decree against me, 83 lakhs with 12% interest with effect of 2008. In the meantime, matter was compromised between the parties. 34 lakhs, I couldn't pay everything. Some amount remained. I came before this honorable court of extension. Now he has taken instruction on that. But presently, I am filed at I am, my lord. Because the matter is pending before recovery officer. What I am praying, my lord, recalculation is required to be made as we are now interested to pay the entire decretal dues with interest. Subject to, however, our payments, they are not reflecting in the statement of account. So what I am submitting, my lord, till such a petition is decided by the learned recovery officer, that further proceeding may be stayed because properties has been attached by the recovery officer. That is one. And secondly, my lord, let them supply both the
You have already paid that.
I have paid, which is not taken into account, about 34 lakhs.
You paid.
I have paid.
And
In
they
addition to
received.
that, I have paid another 34 lakhs.
And they have received.
So, problem is originally CDB was the bank, my lord.
Fine.
Payments made to CDB does not reflect in their account because they are the what do you call it?
Acquire.
They have come later on. That
I
asset
paid
manager,
for the
asset
CDB.
management units. So that being so, certain payments that I have made approximately 32 lakhs is not reflected. Now they are still demanding 83 lakhs. I have given an OTS proposal also. That is another matter.
So, if your asset management company has taken over the amount from that bank, CDB, then where do I
He
can
was saying
account-
that do not have the accounts prior to that. He was saying, so I have made also CDB a party. Mr. Panigrahi appears. I have served a copy on him.
But I'm appearing through DCB.
Malad, incidentally, what my lord is saying, it goes to the year 2010, 2009. The amount, whatever they say they are paid, that was to CDB and the OTS was done, but they were grossly failed for paying the OTS amount.
That is
Ultimately, the decretal amount has been reached to
Sir,
almost 1
you
crore.
understand what
Well,
he is saying he has paid earlier to Seed B, which was the earlier, that was the organization that gave you loan,
Well,
right? So now, after the taking over by your organization,
well, a recent development, they have given an offer
after
of 50
taking
lakh.
over by you, taken over by your organization, that amount is not reflected, right?
That they are saying. We have to check with the record because
So check record, check.
recent
करो तो ना,
development,
ये
they have
मतलब
given
see.
an offer of 50
Mr.
lakh
Panigrahi, what is
with
the
upfront
what
amount
you
of
say?
2 lakh.
My lord, I'll also check the record, my lord, because
Let them
we
check
have
the
assigned this
whole
one.
thing.
Lord, we have
And
assigned.
concept of the Seed B and
कौन ना तारा?
Karnataka.
Aye, sir. Israk. Huh?
And I am for OP1, is for OP2 and 3.
पार्टी तो बनाई नहीं इसरा
हाँ sir. 2
OP2
and
and
3.
3.
We are 2 and 3. India SME Asset Reconstruction Company.
India SME.
Oh, India SME. Okay. Both the OP number 1 and OP number 2 shall verify their accounts and ensure that verify accounts and revert to the court on 17th.
Will your lordship ask them to produce the
Final
statement of account?
Final so to the RIA.
हाँ, file करछन्ति.
We are not filed. Just received on Saturday.
I is that only. That accounts.
ठीक है, let them.
I'll file one.
What do you want?
If they produce this, if they verified is well and good, my lord, but always
Verify କରନ୍ତୁ କିଛି ହବନି. ଏତେ ଦିନ କିଛି କଲେନି ଏବେ କଣ?
produce ଯଦି କରିବେ, by 17 your lordship is calling, I am not insisting for anything further.
They didn't challenge the DIT order here.
Anyway,
And DIT has attached the
can
property.
be solved, sir.
We are also on the
हाँ,
ball.
ଯଦି ସରିଗଲା ତ ବଢିଆ solve ହେଇଗଲା ବଢିଆ.
17 ପରେ
They are referring to one old order. What we are asking of that.
My offer is plain and simple, your lordship. Decreed amount we will pay at
Let them check.
Yes.
And then I'll find out what amount we should pay.
Well,
I mean, that can be done here. That will be done. We get all cases from every.
My anxiety is they have attached certain properties, but I am not harping on that because the lordship is calling it on 18th, 17th.
आसू देखिए.
Well, can it be 18th?
No.
17th are what 2-3 other matters.
18 ठीक है लक्ष्मी बार.
17th.
गुरुवार. गुरुवार दिन आसने बहुत माल मिलेगा. अपन पैसा पाइबे कौन भाई हैं तुझे?
18th.
18 next.
Oblige.
Next.
93.
93.
Thanks to Mr. Tunasov, my lord. They filed a petition where he stated the account has been closed, no due certificate has been issued.
Okay.
Only thing, the document has to be released.
tomorrow. Mr. Tunasov coffee में पिलेगे ताले release होगा ना.
ये petition ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି, ସେ petition
अपन एक memo cafe दे तौला नहीं. Minimum cafe देते. से पिलेगे.
Mr. Sahu has filed a petition with affidavit.
My lord, memo along with the bank's communication that the account was settled and closed on 22/12/2020.
The bank submits that the account has been closed on
By 22/12/2023.
and the no due certificate has
Statement on 3/1/20.
has already been issued in favor of the present petitioner. Hence, nothing survives in the matter. I cannot dispose it.
Release of documents.
Releasing my lord. Tomorrow is the starting date.
Okay, look, in the meantime, the bank shall release the mortgage documents in accordance with the law.
Within a period, my lord.
Within a period of 1 month in accordance with the law.
Oblige.
Next.
94.
94.
This is my lordship, kindly recall. Rupees 1,000 loan was availed.
कौन है लगे जाकू गला?
Yes, the manager has assured that the reconveyance will be made within a short time.
Okay,
Only-
1 more time.
Yes.
Okay, learn concept of the petitioner submit that the bank has assured to resolve the dispute within a period of short time. ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ତାର 1000 ଟଙ୍କା ବୋଲେ ଆପଣ ଭିତରୁ କିଏ ଗୋଟେ ଦେଇ ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି ଭାଇ ଏଟା କାହିଁ ଏତେ
Last time ଆପଣ କହିଦେଲେ ଯେ ମୁଁ ଦେଇ ଦଉଛି।
ଆଉ ନହେଲେ ମୁଁ ଦେଇଦେବି ନହେଲେ ଆଉ କେତେ ଲଢିବି
My lord, in this
pass an order accordingly.
In this case, the petitioner annexed the issue up to 94. I shall to 95 to 2023. ହେଇଛି କି ନାହିଁ ଅଛି କି ନାହିଁ ସେଟା ଜାଣିବା ଦରକାର।
After 10 days.
I'm fixing it at 25th ହେଲା 25th. Next.
95.
95. You are for
I'm from
petitioner?
petitioner.
Petitioner.
My lord, opposite party.
So are you ready?
My lord, kindly taken up in other team. My senior is not well.
Who is your senior?
Rimjim Balapati.
Rimjin
Balapati.
Balapati. Sure. ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁ କଣ?
My lord, Shibu Das, London senior, Devashish Patnaik.
Okay. ହଉ ମୁଁ ଦେଇଦେବି 18 ରେ ଆସୁ।
My lord.
Next.
96.
96.
That's why for the petition lordship, I make time lordship today.
ଆଜି ବି ଟାଣିମ୍ କଣ ଟାଇମ୍ ଖାଲି ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଯାହାକୁ ଦେଖିଲା
All
ଟାଇମ୍
matters.
ଓ
Only counterfeit and soft copy.
ओके ठीक है सीधा दे
Some
दिया
assured is
13 फरवरी जाओ
Lords.
13 फरवरी नेक्स्ट
97.
97
97, there are two cases. The second case, I am for that. And as per my instruction, the matter is in interest because it was challenging the interim order passed in a deviate. Now the case is disposed of everything. The matter has become disposed in process.
97
97.
and consider the petitioner Mr. Das submit that
97, the second part removes Mahapatra.
Mahapadar sir Akshay Mahapadar submit that the matter is 97 first part after 9
I am appearing
for the
in fact आपण कडे विषय आहे same
No, my lord.
हाँ
Your lordship may call this matter. Next week, I will take instruction.
अरे सर कौन इंस्ट्रक्शन नेकी जागर आसुना
See, husband को wife पाएंगे. So,
कोड को आसुनी इंस्ट्रक्शन करी गुडे दोची तार ଆଉ ଆପଣ ଆମେ ଜାଣିଛେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଏଇଆ ହେଇଥିବ
Next week,
Anyway,
ଆସୁ।
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ in CRLB ଯୋଉ third era CRLB 78 up to 30 and concept of
petition.
petitioner Mr. Mahapatra submitted the matter dispose of ଆରଟା ଥାଉ 97 98
ସେଥିରେ husband ଅଛି ଏଥିରେ wife ଅଛି.
ସେମ୍ ହେଇଥିବ
Next week as well.
98
Grateful.
98.
98
May it please your lordship, I am appearing on behalf of Mr. Chinmay Manti, counsel for the petitioner, my lords. I pray that the matter be taken after 2 weeks.
ହଁ 20 ମାସରେ matter 2 weeks 3 weeks କରୁଛନ୍ତି କିଛି ନାହିଁ ସେଥିରେ ଖାଲି
Interim order is there.
ଏଥର ଯୋଉ ମ୍ୟାଟର 3 ଥରରୁ ଅଧିକ ଏଡଜନ ହେଇଛି ସେଇ ମ୍ୟାଟରରେ କଷ୍ଟ ଇମ୍ପୋଜ କରିବି 500 ହଉ 1000 ହଉ କରିବି ପକ୍କା ଏଟା ମୋର ଆଜିଠୁ କାଲିଠୁ ମୁଁ ସେ ରୁଲ ଏଟା କରିବି ନହେଲେ ହବନି ସବୁବେଳେ ଗୋଟେ 500 ଟଙ୍କା ଦେବେ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ ମନା ନାହିଁ 500 ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍
first
କରିବେ
time
ବାର ଆସୋସିଏସନ ଅଫିସରେ ଯାଇକି ଆଣିକି ଦେବେ
The first time we are paying for time.
ଓକେ ଠିକ ଅଛି this the matter on 21st February
Obliged lordship, interim order to continue.
Interim to continue next 99
99. I'm appearing for the petition.
I am for the opposite party.
Copy of the IA has not been given, my lords.
what is the IA about
For vacation of stay.
Vacation of stay, lordship. Vacation of stay.
ଗୋଟେ କପି ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
Either lordship may take up a final hearing.
give me copy
Date will take.
Yes.
list the matter on 25th final hearing कर दो ହେଲା 25th next
100.
100
Lordship, kindly grant some time, Lordship.
9 हाँ समझ टाइम जाएगा
This is first time I am.
ओके ग्रांट करছি 21 फरवरी को जान 21 फरवरी
Short day.
ଆଉ ସର୍ଟ ଡେଟ୍ ଟାଇମ ନେଲା ଲୋକ ସର୍ଟ ଡେଟ୍ ମାରିବା ଅଧିକାର ନାହିଁ ଯାହା ଦେବ କୋର୍ଟ ନେଇକି ଯିବେ
ଆଜି
ଆଉ ଅଧିକାର ନାହିଁ ଯିଏ ଟାଇମ ମାଗିବ ତା ପାଇଁ ସର୍ଟ ଡେଟ୍ ନାହିଁ
ଆଉ ଟିକେ Lordship. February out.
କଣ ଅର୍ଜେନ୍ସି ଅଛି ଏଥିରେ
Lordship,
ଫେବୃଆରୀ ତ କହୁଛି ଆଉ 20 ଓକେ 6 ଫେବୃଆରୀ କରୁଛି
Obliged, Lordship.
Item 71.
କଣ ହେଲା
Item 71 ରେ I am appearing on behalf of OP number 124 for review matter.
ହଁ
So my this is first appearance.
ସେ ଆପଣ ଜୁନିୟର ପରେ ଆପିୟର କରିଥିଲେ
ଆଜି ରଖିଲେନି କଣ ଫେରେଇ ଦେଲେ ବୋଲି ମୁଁ
ଏଇଟା ଆପିୟରାନ୍ସ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଓକାଲତନାମା ନୁହେଁ
ନା ଆମେ appearance union officer.
ଓକାଲତନାମା
And we have already filed
you might have found Okalatnama, that's why. Okalatnama certified.
we have already filed our counter. Petitioner has to give the rejoinder. My grievance is that we have no copy of the petition. The panel change.
ତାଙ୍କର ମାଗି ନିଅନ୍ତୁ ନା ତାଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ ମାଗି ନିଅନ୍ତୁ
ସେଇଟା
Your lordship has directed the counsel for the petitioner to give to
हाँ उनको पीछे पड़ना चाहिए था क्या कर रहे हो तो
my name may be
कॉपी ना छाड़ी भी नहीं कोई था ଦେବେ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ
My name may be reflected. Obliged.
ନା ଆପଣ ନଥିଲେ ଆପଣ ନା ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁ ଦେବେ
ଏଇଟା ସେଣ୍ଟ୍ରାଲ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ କେସଟା ତ ସେ ନା ଏଇଟା ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁ ରହିବନି ସେଣ୍ଟ୍ରାଲ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ କେସଟା ତ ସେ
ତ କଣ ହେଲା ସେଇ ଜୁନିୟର ରହିବନି କଣ ପାଇଁ?
ନା ଏଇଟା they don't engage multiple people.
ଗୋଟେ ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁ କାଟିଦେବେ ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣ ରହିବେ ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣ ନଥିଲେ ଆପଣ ନାଁ ଆବସେଣ୍ଟ ମାରିବେ ଆବସେଣ୍ଟ ବି ମାରିବି ଜୁନିୟର should be given some chance.
ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ କେସରେ ସେ ଏନଗେଜ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେଣ୍ଟ୍ରାଲ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ କେସ
ଠିକ ଭଲ କି ଟ୍ରେନ କରନ୍ତୁ ତାକୁ ହେଲା ଖାଲି ହଁ କାହିଁ ମୁଁ ମୋ କୋର୍ଟରେ କେବେ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରିବା ଦେଖିନି ଏବେ ନଟ୍ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁଡ୍ ଏଭର କେବେ ଟାଇମ୍ ମାଗିବା ପାଇଁ ଟାଇମ୍ ମାଗିବାଟା ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କୁହାଯାଏ ଏଟା ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ ନଟ୍ ସବଷ୍ଟାନ୍ଟିଭ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ